to send you voice notes because you are sounding like somebody that has any knowledge of argument. Educated argument. You have to listen to me. Okay? Maybe not mega address that time. Maybe voice note mega address. Listen. In our junior there's an opportunity to cancel fundraising. The opportunity to declare Biafra in Finland. Every power that she exercises was given to her by the Biafran people who elected our prime minister, and the prime minister made him the chief of staff. By the virtue of that office, she stands the opportunity to take over from the prime minister should anything happen to him. Whether he is in jail, whether he is dead, whether anything happens to him, the first person that Biafrans will rally around will be the chief of staff. That is the natural running of government. I know you have people who have experience in whatever you people are doing. Tell them to tell you the truth if you don't know, okay? Don't be calling everybody and be talking like this. The power was given to her by the Biafran people. We just finished convention. Biafrans needed that moment to recover because it's money that we're going to pay. People needed to come home, settle down, and then take a fresh breath, and then come out and do fundraising. You didn't come out to do fundraising because you wanted to help. You came out to do fundraising because you needed to use it to mobilize support. And that is exactly what you did. That is the same lie you lied to men on ground. You lied to them, and you know it, Nkere. Stop running your mouth like this. Look, I am not the type of person you will call. I have told you before, whenever you call me, jot down your points. Don't just come here and be running from east to the west. That's not how I roll. I know my onions. If you need education about how to run government, you can call on me, okay? We have prime minister. We do not have elected officials. We don't have Senate. We don't have House of Assembly. We don't have honorable members. We only have elected prime minister, which is unicameral system. That's what we have. The prime minister has selected people who will work with him. Those people he will mobilize so that they will vote during cabinet meetings. Okay? The same cabinet meeting that dissolved CRC. Cabinet dissolved CRC. Are you not aware of that? You think this is market women? If you go to court, you may go to jail. I'm telling you, they say from this. If you want to call me, get your points right. Okay? Different people get her right to cancel fundraising and put it next time. The one in the organize, you do this, everything you. Prime Minister selected you to be his finance minister. So you are working for him. You owe it to him to come up with some good ways of raising money. That's why you're a finance minister. So when you come up with some kind of ingenuity that will be helpful and he adopts it, that doesn't mean that you are making that authority. No, that authority is still Prime Minister's authority. And whenever the Prime Minister is not there, the Chief of Staff will be next in that chain of command, not you. You are just a finance minister. Even when it comes to chain of command, you don't even come before defense. Okay? Go and sit down. Ask people who know if you don't know. You want to plank the tire in Biafra and think we will sit around and watch you? You are getting some people angry. We are just keeping quiet though, because I want the Igbo. And I am in Igbo now. You are winning. I'm sorry for you. People are deceiving you. If at all no one to somewhere and push you to destroy Biafra, you cannot destroy Biafra. Let me tell you right now. We are in this struggle. We are keeping quiet doesn't mean that we don't know anything. What's wrong with you? Look at it here. In authority. Man, if you need authority, you can form more government. Who gave you the authority? The CRC vote for you. CRC was dissolved. It was dissolved by duly constituted Biafra Republic government in exile cabinet. Okay? They were dissolved. Was it reconstituted by who and when? You went and you called them because they are your courts, and they did some kind of backyard election.
Exactly.
Call your name and you think, hey, look, let me also warn you. You see that lobbyist, when you go to jail, he will not go to jail with you. Yeah, he's pushing you. He will break in our oh, mislead in the African ball. It's serious in Biafra. It's serious. It doesn't matter who is leading. You keep supporting with everything in you to make sure I get the Biafra. To destroy. That's what you are doing. To tear everywhere down. You better tell Butuzo. Nobody's after him. Okay? We want everybody to leave and go inside Biafra together. Stop threatening people. Biafra has a lot of people who are willing and ready to fight for Biafra. Okay? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it now. You call me here, I'm going to go audience. Why are you running away? Because you don't want to hear the truth. So to brag around and social media. Somebody now whatever program on Nebu. Now, so I be done. I got a family in the matter. Now, look at what the Biafran is saying. People who are fighting for Biafra. Oh, you know, how do we know that the cable go to have Bushiga? Never mother will keep a platform nonsense like this. Now, I don't buy a bit of questions. What is happening? This is too appalling. We cannot continue like this. Whether you like it or not, Biafra will come. But I'm telling you, deceit from this. I'm not going to USA here. Don't think that you are doing this thing that we're going to keep quiet. Time I swear to God. Time okay, no problem. Go.
All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I see all of you in the comment section. Let me start greeting you one by one. I think we have a lot of people. Should I just
go ahead.
So many people here, honestly. Okay, let me start. Paul, I see you. That Evans Ike, I see you. Paul Obeta and Victoria Weke, I see you. Ogwejo 4 is here. Nwaibo, I see you. Nwaibo seems like you're new to me. Truth must be told, I see you. JJ is here with us. All of you, in fact, the name is too much. Next Mark, happy to see you again. I know yesterday was somehow intense. All right? And I am very sorry in any way I provoke you. Just that I try my best to explain to you, but you're kind of, you want to prove that you are a very, very tough human being. All right. So I will bring you back. Let's Mark. Let us just continue. But the only thing I want you to understand is that sometimes try to see something in another person's angle. Like put yourself in someone's shoe. If it is easy, if you can do that, then you're a good person. And I wanted to start with that program yesterday, because Biafra United later, has responded, which I told Humble Lion that he said he's going to broadcast yesterday. So you should keep your eyes on that. So he did not hide anything in terms of what he wanted to do, unless he should to do some other things secretly, which is, of course, I know, because my point on that, the whole thing is because of spiritual aspect of it. I can go physical, but sometimes we need to also talk about spiritual aspect of the event, because our block is where physical go with the spiritual. So that is why I wanted him to take precaution on the whole thing. But I thank God that he did, like in terms of making sure that he devote time to listen to the whole thing. So please, you are back, and let's continue. All right, we are here today for a different topic. We are here again for a different issue. Triple M, I see you. Namo the Lucky Palace. Chukwudozie Dim. All of you on the comment section. Basil said good evening. Good evening to you. And our own Emi Sami. All of you, I see you on comment section. God bless all of you for joining me this hour. Oliver also, Money Man, Ben Iwu, Ozil is here with us. Our own brother is here. And Chinyere Aboye, I see you. So please make sure you comment and share the program if you can. The topic says Nkere have achieved something very important thing that he have achieved for Biafra. But you have different version of Biafra now. Even the US is right. They are also fighting for Biafra. Do you know that Innocent Dodge? How many of you know about Innocent Dodge? How many of you know? I believe someone like Triple M. I'm sure you know about Innocent Dodge. Imanda, when the Nebu na buche we have Nature Quandam and the more have cable. When Amanda went down, my father, the fight for Biafra. So it depends on the Biafra. The question is which first. I swear to God. Nah, when that in my potty. Ota the thinker, the thinker na ya ndị na-eme potros. I will find a potty. Maka ndị to na village. Bụrụ na those remote area na Biafra land. Ị ga-eme find a potty. Eji amachi ite. When the ayara that potty na in that brain. Okay, Nkere is their followers are celebrating one of the mighty achievements. And we're gonna flash it immediately. So please like the video. Yes, we know them. Okay, you might have found a fight for Biafra. Let me say that I know them. You came another and had a fight for Biafra. Go ahead. They are fighting for Biafra. So it depends. The again guy which can you be a which Biafra? So this Biafra, sometimes some people actually see it like business. Business mango. Open to the village open mango of like me. Business mango. I don't know seasonal business. Once season I go mango look grow the thing. In our water. Once mango was business end, everybody got back to their normal business, seasonal business. So Biafra went up on their own seasonal business. Once a genuine person come out, in fact, maybe if I become an investment, and if the investment is to make you believe they are actually for you, like they're in line with you, they understand what you want. Let us just go mass. First time they go to job, bank up and they Biafra flag. You go your Biafran color, go Mado Biafran flag and be in a broadcast like this. In our other thing. And they name a mass, change the name to mass Biafran, but Biafran is my life. Biafra also to go now to deceive you that actually for Biafra. When you get tough, for everyone Hana a magic I get maybe. Okay, Nkere. I remember those days, like not long time ago. But what I mean by is after the creation of Biafra, the Nigerian newspapers started carrying information about lies. Roslyn, lies. This evening, If you want to make your comment, please make it so that it makes sense. If you want to insult me, you start with the car report. You do with the car report. You are in other words, car report. You are a liar. So now reply again to show that someone reply to my medical apologies. So just make sure you know what I'm saying. If you are talking to maybe if you are talking about maybe Biafra as a seasonal business, like now is mango season, and they go Ghana villages they go mango look in all the business. Once season now ended, they will disappear. That if open on that kind of lawyers, I understand, but please always make your statement, your comment, because he can't apologize that and I cannot apologize like don't just start. Roslyn, please, I need you to put it very well. It's just the liars. Or are you talking to me or to Biafrans? If that is the case, just make it very well so that we will know the food to serve you, because we have a lot of plate here. Nkere group, called COS Nigerian agent. One of the reasons is because after the declaration of Biafra, everybody knows that this is the government of the people. This is what people want. This is where to go, because they followed it when PM was laying the plans and everything. So it's not something that take anybody surprise. Nigerian news started reporting almost every post that CS, tweet. Somehow CS, kind of retweet it, and people see it as if she's celebrating that Nigerian news carried her post and her report. They started calling her, that they are the ones sponsoring her. That is why Nigerian news are reporting and following up her activities. It's not as if, okay, nice mark, no problem, thank you. It's not as if we don't know how the whole thing started. We do. But they want to convince us that COS is Nigerian agent, and that is why Nigerian magazine, the Daily Post, Vanguard are reporting her post. Do you know that for how many months now they have stopped talking about reporting COS? Because they have realized that Biafrans are using them to measure who is in the who is getting it right or not getting it, who is leading, or who the person that people actually listen to. Because they have noticed that Nkere is kind of doing the business, they're bidding what they want. They are now reporting it frequently. And not only that, I believe that Nkere is paying money for that. Nkere is paying them money now to report. This is my own belief. I don't have any proof to that. Just understand what I'm saying. My own belief, my own comment on this is that they are no longer reporting because they want to report. They are now being bought over by Nkere. Why do I think so? Why do I say so? Because why I say that is because when Nkere sued the USB government, listen very well. When Nkere sued the USB government, no media platform of Nkere know about it. Sona Barawa was blindfolded about it. Eggman, the same thing. These are two superpower of Nkere. None of them knew about it. They happen to see the news or got the information from Nigerian newspapers, People Gazette, Daily Post, and rest of them. Why is it that they are the one that reported it first before any other media of Nkere? The reason is because they have been paid to do that. Because Nkere don't want to relate it to them, so that when the money they're going to make from the court, and it's only to brain, because he believes that he's going to win in the court. So none of this Imam Adabu and Co would have any reason, any chance to ask him how about the money that we won, what is going on. He just wants to do it along with Elias and Dabre. The reason is because they want to divide, they want to share the money. Because this man called Dabre and Elias have assured him you're going to win the case. And the reason why they told him that because they know that this our brother don't reason properly, like his shortcoming. When you know he he lack a lot. The reason his own way of reasoning is not superb. I'm not trying to insult him, but this is what it is. I'm not trying to talk down on him, but this is what it is. If you know, you know. The way he reasons is not all that. You understand? It's not sound. They know it's good because it will be a win-win for them. Why? He's going to pay them money to defend him in the courts. When the money comes out, they of course they have their own percentage and go. You know, that kind of thing. They already planned it. Whether they win or lose, Nkere must pay for lawyer fee. And they are the special advisor to Nkere, telling Nkere how to go on with indeed Eggman pushing him to go and sue. Now, sue. Ask yourself, why is it that People Gazette are the first to report to Biafrans who is following Nkere that USB government has been sued by Nkere? Not Sona Barawa, not from Eggman. When PM was here, they don't report something that PM did not post. But in terms of Nkere, they report something before Nkere media post it. Meaning that they are not media are not following Nigerian newspapers, Nigerian news platform for them to get internal information. I don't know if you're following what I'm saying. That simply means that Nkere must have paid them, because normally they don't communicate to any. Listen, Vanguard and Daily Post don't communicate to PM before reporting anything that PM posts, because PM post is public. So they will go to his platform and take the message and publicize it, because they know that Biafra want to know about PM. PM is a center of attraction, so it's a way of selling their platform, selling their news, because they know that this thing is trending. This guy is trending. So once they have letterheading, Simon Ekpa, that people would like to pause and read. By reading, you will encounter advertisement. That is how they say that make money. So they have to use something that will attract you to read their paper or their news for them to grow their platform. Now, Nkere want to mimic PM, want to follow PM. CS did not. They started following CS, but once this guy introduced himself with a different agenda, they stopped reporting anything about USB. Then they're not reporting something like negative. They sue you. They're not trying to promote Nkere by every means necessary. Before Biafrans have any information about Nkere activities, so-called activities in Washington, Nigerians have already reported it. Meaning that once Nkere finish having handshake with congressmen, they will pass the details to Nigerian newspapers to report it. And the foolish DOS following Nkere are buying into that and celebrating it. So that is why we say breaking. Nkere achieved this shocking recognition, because that is what they want you to believe on. They want you to see it as achievement. They want you to know that Nkere have done a very wonderful thing. All of them are now sharing like Daily Post, Vanguard. The same people who claim that when they're reporting COS, reporting about COS, that they're doing that because COS is is their agent. COS is agent. The question now is, who is now the agent? Is he COS or Nkere? Nkere want to be Mass as PM at a go. But the primary work that he's supposed to do, he's afraid of doing it. He's afraid, he's running away from the things that he's supposed to do that will elevate him to that height that he wants Biafra to see him, as the leader and everything. So you cannot ignore the primary job that he's supposed to do. What are those things? 1, sincerity. 2, determination in doing something that can fire good things. Not this cut and John activities to convince who. It doesn't work that way. It have never worked before. It's not going to work now. As simple as that. As simple as that. Now, some of you maybe I know you are wondering, Kai report, what are you talking about? Where is the achievement of Nkere? Now, it seems that it seems like Nkere have now won the recognition of Nigerian news platforms. So they have now recognized him as the person leading. Reason is because they know that he's doing the damage that they have been looking for someone to do. So if Nkere is not being appointed or being selected to do this, he's doing it for free. Like he's doing it for them for free. Now look at what somebody posted, and they all have this this mindset of I need to hide myself why promoting or broadcasting about Biafra. I need to be this and be that before anything. This guy is calling himself Totti Ville, Okwa Biafra, but you can see the name. Nothing like, not even his picture, not even his logo, nothing. Everything is hidden. His name is fake. Just like their president, Nkere, who have the only way you see Nkere is when it has to do, anything has to do with the Biafra. Aside that, his real name is Isaiah Yog. And how can you now, beat your chest and say you have somebody representing you? Now, let's quickly scan through the recognition of Nkere so far from Nigerian newspapers who have vowed to report, push him as their leader and all that. Now, here is the first one is here. This one, okay. When you click on this one, what will you see? Look at it here. This is authority. Okay, this is authority. You can now see authorities. Look at it now. Authority have reported Nkere as what? Bringing acting. Acting PM provide explosive testimony to U.S. Congress, urges release of Kano and Eggman. Are you following it now? This is from Authority, Nigerian news platform, reporting it as if Sonak Marawa or which is personal information minister, normally report like personal as an insider. When PM was here, before they call him PM, they will tell you the self-acclaimed Biafran Prime Minister said this and said that. But here, in Nkere time, is boldly Briggy acting PM provides not even self-acclaimed, even though knowing fully well that a lot of people within the Briggy don't even see him as a leader. Nigerian newspaper knows this. They watch all these platforms. They know comment of Biafrans. Yet, Fejiri continue to cover and Fichigo didn't. And we find a cab no. From Nigerian newspaper, come tomorrow. Are you following? Now, let's go down. You come down here. Just work American the post. Brigade Artin. Okay, let me know this magazine again. This one. Who is this one? Is this same authority? Still reporting. You can these are authorities. These are the official website. You can see it here. You can see this Nigerian platform with a very long Sh0cking to U.S. Congress team. Just promoting this guy. Promoting him. When you talk about it, they'll say you are crying. Oh, they are crying. I don't know what is crying here. We are just telling you the truth. Now, another one is Daily Trust. Look at it here. Daily Trust. The same thing. Briggy Acting Prime Minister calls for release of Masamano Gano Samanepa. Now, when you go to Nkere, for you to know that Nkere is paying them, they are working hand in hand. If you go to Nkere platform, instead of Nkere to write piece of note, like to details all these things that these guys used for, in their headlines, instead of it to see that, you see Nkere sharing this one, their report, meaning that he paid money for them to report this thing for them. Because, like I said, PM will bring news on his platform. Then these people will go there and pick the one they want to report. And even their reportage, they will say, the self-acclaimed prime minister of Biafra government in exile. Sometimes they don't even use prime minister. They will say, Simon Ekpa, the self-acclaimed. You will see that trying to distance themselves from everything. They're not in appreciative of the work. But read Daily Trust here. Briggy acting prime minister calls for headline file. Then let's come down. So this is what all this. Look at how they're sharing it now. This is what they use now for in their carnival. And even what is the name of these people? Authority here. You can see this one. They have PM here, and this is their live program going on as we speak. This one, you can see it on Briggy open talks with U.S. government over deals. Over this makes offer public. In affair now, from Nigerian government, now this guy is making offer in order trying to pave way to recognize Biafra in Congress and all that. Nigerian news are carrying it. They are the one telling you, Biafrans, what your messenger in Congress is, the outcome of the meeting. Listen, he said in his video yesterday that people are questioning them, where is the outcome of the meeting and handshake that meeting they're having with the congressmen and all that. That it is secret, but it's not secret to Nigerian newspapers. Because they know the details, that's why they're making these headlines. Once you want to give you press briefing, Biafrans donate, you need to fight. We need to fight. We need to fight. But when you go behind, you give Nigerian newspapers the detail of the outcome of the meeting. I'm not coming. I want even I got here. Okay. You have been in a Congress meeting. You have been having this meeting all this while. Good and fine. So can you now give us the outcome of the meeting so far? What congressmen are doing? What is your achievement there? What is the hope? What are we expecting? Reference, not everything will be in public. That you cannot tell your enemy about this problem. You cannot. Are you expecting us to come back? And even he went as far as saying that the congressmen, sometimes they will have handshake, and after discussion, they will tell them, don't publicize it, don't post it, don't. Okay, but you are now giving outcome of the meeting to Nigerian headlines. Nigerians were to now report it to who? I'm not coming. I'm not coming. Someone. I will free because it did not even end here. People's Daily is here, of course, because they're all in the same ship. Reporting it. I'm not against him achieving Biafra. Don't get it twisted. My concern is, why is it so easy for Nigerian newspaper to carry this information? So easy. When we go to your platform as a acting prime minister, you don't detail the outcome. So how come they have the outcome of the meeting? Who is giving it to them? When PM was there, his platform is that is a center of the news. Even all of us that are independent broadcasters are taking a lot from his platform. That is why we knew that he had issue very, very fast, because we keep on refreshing and checking his post. Not only me, I'm being honest. We always checking, refreshing our Twitter to see who the post from PM, so that we can make sense out of it, use it on your own program, and do your own program. But when PM was taken, we were like, everything, the source of news, everything cut off. We started trying to find a way to balance our reportage and everything. Now look at Nkere. Go to his platform. These people gathered, he will take screenshot and he will share their own website, meaning that I don't need to bother myself. I have paid media because he's done joke with the media. Now he don't trust anybody, independent broadcasters, because Eggman actually shock him with this his swag, Eggman actually shake Nkere somehow, because he trusted Eggman to the extent that he was paying him, gentleman agreement. Now, please, let's go back to the news. As you can see here, People's Daily. Bringing acting Prime Minister provides explosive testimony to U.S. Congress calling for release of Matt Kano and Simon Ekpa. Explosive. The question is, People's Daily, are you non-Biafra media platform? I'm just asking, because where did you get these details from? Who actually passed it to you? It did not end here. Another one, Daily Post is here with their own. They have mentioned. I've shown you before. This is another headline also. Bringing acting Prime Minister provides explosive testimony. The same thing. The same thing. Now, come down here again. Even the person sharing this website, like this guy, Totti Ville. Oh, yeah, Biafra name. This is why they will hide the picture, hide the video, hide their name, so that when they want to run, make him trace with this guy now. Nothing. Now listen. Bringing acting Prime Minister provide explosive. Look at it here. Another Nigerian news share. How many Nigerian news platform now? I have lost count, to be honest with you. Now look at it. This is another Nigerian news platform reporting it, just like federal government of Nigeria have given others. So he actually paid all of them to report this in once at a go, everybody. This explosive testimony is not mentioned unless you have time to go and read the details from their website of Nigerian news platforms. You want to go and here. Here you have another. Who is this one? What is their name? You can see it now. You can see it, right? The same thing. You can see it. The same thing. So almost every Nigerian news platform is reporting Nkere at a go. But Nkere medians are now copying this reportage to their own private, independent, private platforms. Are you getting the point? So the question is, why is it so easy? Okay, look at another one. This one is Alexander. Wait, let me expand it. Let me know the name of this platform, because I think this one is new to me. Okay, it's the same one. Nigerian news platform. Okay, it's the same one that I showed before. Elenza. Okay. Here is Vanguard. Okay, Vanguard is reporting on that thing. Vanguard is reporting on that. People's Gazette. Report on Kita. Price na gun. What the fact is the price na Keva? Normally they are always the first to report. Now, let us listen to some of the Nkere. Okay, this one is 1 hour. I don't think we are gonna finish this one.
From former Abia State. Last time I came across a video when he was walking and people are hailing. What have he done? Is it all that mirage road that he passed up? Roads that they are the one bringing these terrorists to come and kill Biafrans. Our enemy still remained the Nigerian terrorist country, and the Fulani herdsmen that their forefather, Osman and Fodio, have sworn that they will wipe us out of the surface of the earth, that they will take over our land. And they say that we are their subject. I don't know how that happened. Who tell them that? If you're a Biafra, you are not fighting our enemies. You are fighting those that are pioneering this great cause. Shame on you. And for those that have turned me to be their problem, from Imam Madu and his group with Ngozi Orabeze, shame on all of you. Less than a year ago, Sh0cking used to be who all of you are singing praises. I wonder I shall never end. What changed?
A lot.
The APM that changed, I never changed. Instead, there's more responsibility on me. And I'm doing my best every day. I will keep doing it. If I step aside, can you handle it? Who among you will carry this load? I remember not quite long ago, one of our sisters from Canada, anytime she come to our fundraising or gathering, she will like, hey, what's the gamma Sh0cking? Oh boy. Or is it a Ruby People's Club? Oh, after greeting, thanking everybody, you say, oh, I don't know how I will thank you, Sh0cking. Even to an extent, behind closed door, I will call, I said, please stop these praises. I don't have money. That's not the reason why I'm here. The APM, I never asked for it. Last time I checked, I never asked for it. The finance minister, I never asked for it. Last time I checked. So why are you also jealous, envy, hatred about me?
You know, one thing about this guy is that he actually believed that, I don't know if he thinks that doesn't mean that he sees us as his pet. I don't understand. So you actually want us to believe that you did not ask for it. You don't ask for it, isn't it? Okay. Why did you change the document before Pion was arrested? You did not ask for it. You did not ask for it. A few days before Biafra will be redeclared, you started calling for cabinet meeting as what? As APM, as a PM, as a what? From finance minister. You never asked for it. You did not ask for it when Biafra, after redeclaration of Biafra, you started protesting. What were you protesting against? You did not ask for it. The Eggman whom you were planning and going out and doing everything like he likely said, expose your deal with him. You did not ask for it. Who established contact between you and Biafra Unite? That he told you, remember you called, that you remember the conversation. You did not ask for it. But you were sorting people, buying people, paying people, trying to corner people to your side, like success. You did not ask for it. All these things that you did was to do what? What is your aim? What exactly? And you see, I told you that one of the things, I'm speaking for myself, please. One of the things that made me to feel like this guy and people like him are no good area is lies. Remove lies. In fact, forget about what is going on. Let's assume that everything is working fine. In fact, we are not like you yourself. Let's assume that you are not even a Biafra. You are just catching crews, listening to Biafra news and broadcasters and all that. You don't even care. Believe it or not, a movement like this does not need anybody lying. Because if you lie, one lie can lead to buying of other people. One lie, one single lie. it can lead to death of many people. It may sound funny, but it's true. You may not even know. The more you are growing in the movement, the more your voice matters a lot. You have served as finance minister. You have been in a meeting with the PM. You have been in a cabinet meeting with other cabinet members. People regard you, they hold in high esteem. This has nothing to do with your personal business and your finances, your wealth, your achievement as an individual. No. But when you begin to see your fellow cabinet members as a threat, as a problem, because you want to become a PM and all this, imagine what you are saying now, that you never asked for it. You never asked for it. But out of desperation for you to achieve that you are not asking for it, you created CRC, conflict resolution. That conflict resolution. Oh, two na half mark esemokwu. Ewe esemokwu ebe ọ bụla ewe nwata ihe na the move na Biafra movement. Ebe wet obere ọgbayara na within Biafrans. Oye ga-ekpe udo. Ọ ya bụ conflict resolution committee. About with another country, internal issue. He convert the fact that conduct election. Convert that carbon to be one and don't be you. Convert that carbon the even my police 17 name arrest. This guy keep the labor catch up on now that now one that I never asked for it. With the forehead the guy they can bell a bicycle. We never did this. I don't like this kind of thing. At least it's going to ask okay, name me here. You are not talking to kindergarten. You did not ask for it, really. And you actually want people to believe you. You actually want people to see this as what you are saying now as like you are saying the truth. Hey, nah. Oh, we have one over develop love for self. The person now another back because we get tomorrow now. And one thing I noticed about him, for you to know how bad this guy is, you have zero. There's nothing like leadership quality in you. I have noticed something about this guy. Everybody that he has been in contact with, once that person disagrees with him, he will come out and begin to discuss what they have done in the past, like their relationship. Look at what he's saying here about Ruben Nadi. When Eggman ran away and began to expose one or two things about you, what did you say? That look at this one that I'm feeding, I'm sending money to him. That pushed Eggman to mention the amount that you sent. Because you started it. A good leader, somebody who is mature, will not do that. He just laugh over that and kept quiet, forge ahead. If you are smart. But every slight, so all of you in the Richard Card Media World of Nkere, any day you stop posting, he will remind the whole world how much he paid you. And how many years now, or how many months you have been on his payroll? Like so not power. And my anyway suit well coat. After working on the aketa, deka ebenataji. That suit coat in on the aketa deka ebenataji. I'm gonna charge and bed lawyers and abona habul fire ben a compound. Na face my face you and I bamanaji they will in a compound. And for this while coat I actually keep as well on this bend select coat in on here. Which I get because the day this guy will bring your fire because now I think all double go going every family. I need to receive it too. Because normally you do share it with Eggman was receiving higher than you, even though you are the so-called information minister. But Eggman is the one eating the lion's share. Now the Eggman have rejected the forbidden fruit. The money is not going, his own quota is not going to you for double work, for you to double the job. That's why you quickly can Ghana can the money mama maybe now make a bend that's a bet. And then I was better in the evening 4 p.m. Now I go suit together, you go with buy one and get one free. Buy one and get one free. You are none Naze Nyaki in a tennis in Portugal. Or shine and egg glitter now. The day Eggman will open your own fire. Don't deny you. Don't deny because if Eggman can publicly pronounce or announce his own money. All of you are eating. All of you are paying. He's paying you. I can't. You know, we normally say we don't know. We are not sure. Eggman have said it, and he went as far as saying that he's not alone. None of you have come out and debunked it. Now let's go back to the Nkere, his own press briefing. You can see how he do his own press briefing. You know, the press briefing now he do not mention anything that has to do with the Nigerian news magazine Asia.
Every assignment that the Biafran people have given me from day one, I carry it out with honesty. And I pledge that I will do my best. And I'm doing it every day. All I ask the Biafran people is to do the needful. Support your freedom. Your freedom will not be given to you in a platter of good. It won't be handed over to you.
This is press briefing, though. Press briefing.
The state will come one day, will be on a round table, and they will say, Biafra people, you people will be free tomorrow, next tomorrow. It's a lie. We will fight it out. We will fight. I got luck. We all know how corrupt Nigeria is. Nigeria will just hand over our freedom to us. But we are dreaming that.
Now, this guy, Sh0cking.
That is going in Biafra land today.
No, what this guy is saying here now, how is he connected to all this thing that I just shown to you that, from Nigerian headline news, Nigerian newspapers? Did you see or hear anything like, I have submitted so thing, this is what I submitted, this is it? Because for them to say explosive, it simply means that they have read it, they have gone through it, they know what the content of that proof or evidence you said you submitted. Yeah, because I don't know if I give you a cover and cast something in Finland. I'm just saying.
Do you know the reason why the media don't report it? Even this gutter shit media called CNN fake news. CNN is in Nigeria. Do you know why they don't report it? Because they have been bought, they have been paid. Nigeria have bought them over. All the media, gutter media in Nigeria, they don't report the killing in Biafra. But go to Gaza, you see CNN everywhere running their mouth. That's why our dear President Trump called them fake CNN, very fake, like BBC. What happened in Aaron is...
Why don't you also make sure that the way you publicize this your handshake in with the congressman, why don't you also pay them to report what is going on in Biafra land? At least you are not in good time, you are not in mutual gentleman agreement with them. So at least you can also do the same thing. I know that their followers will say, no, he's not paying, it's for free. No, my dear. You see, I actually believe that it is possible to report for free like that before. But you see what happened when you said you sue USB. That's where that at that point, that is turning point for me. That's why I said no. Everything you are doing, you are paying them. Let's continue.
My fellow citizens, the CNN reported, the BBC reported. That tells you that we are in bondage. We need to free ourselves from this bondage. We are in a serious bondage. And they have planted a lot of sabotage in our midst. They keep springing up every day. Why Ngozi Orebeze, the Corare government woman, is going down? Another group spring up again. It's like they are not happy seeing what is happening. without even waiting for a minute for us to get ourselves together. After what happened since November till now, this government of Biafra nearly crumbled. If not for somebody like me, if not for somebody like Minister of Information, Mazi Sonia Baraba, if not like somebody like Mazi Amobi, Bishop Comfort, Chinyere Apu, Mazi Menike, our Honorable Law from New York, and many of us here that I cannot keep calling out the names, if not, we'll be here all day. We survived that shock, so we didn't see it coming, and we are not prepared. Then we have to readjust.
Someone say, managing.
To make sure we repel the attack of the evil ones. All of a sudden, we have this group that want to bend me over, so I can kiss their ass and do whatever they want me to do. When I was nominated to be the acting prime minister, I say it the way it is. I never back down to anyone. Rather, I focus on the job of working for Biafra people, and I love it. Nobody forced me to do what I'm doing. I have never been paid one agent or even half agent.
How can they pay you when you are the one paying people? So you expect people to pay you? This guy, what's wrong with you? So you actually expect people to pay you for what? You are the one to pay people on accountable sabotage. But she the guy go okay. Anyway, guy continue. As I have never been paid. Who actually do you expect to pay you? Or they gonna give he get what to go to Kiji first. He goes to go there back. I might second that one which will get something. But people didn't when I go to marry this and I Imama don't need it. Where is Vision 555? The man that you told that you want to be APM, want to become not APM, want to be PM, because remember the Apple nickname you as a APM, but the agenda is a PM. And I was told that the memo that that made you APM, that is what it is written there that after 1 year you become official PM. So no matter what they want to do now, you want that 1 year to expire. Even though the people that actually gave you that, wrote that into you now, that they want to bend you, and you can never bend for anybody. You don't know anything about governance. You don't even know what cabinet means. The reason why you kept quiet before this while because of PM. Because you know that PM was all in Gabasi. You can't Emmanuel where Sultan is Genoshina. You know, I said it here before. Now that I don't is the notion, and that's a notion. You got in a sad get you everywhere. I can do that. Can't keep getting a Taisenka. That is the problem. You manage to calm yourself down. Immediately PM is not here. You corrupted many people to believe that CS is cabinet members, but Achikote Kwon. Okay, if you could now, Achikote Kwon. So you that's not Achikote Kwon, who do you actually want to rule then? You want to lead who? Who do you want to lead? You see all these criminals from the US that across the border, those Ghana must go for agitators. They are the problem. Nkere, Eunice BB, Helen Peters now, no ain't I'm much of that woman, my dear self. It man also go so good Vampunan when earlier. After when at that platform. It's command, they are not an anyway, make I not go talk that one because I got what I feel the thing. But the only thing I want to say is that this guy, this man called Isaiah Yog, your own level of lie, hi, all the all the way bad. Obo nature to as it turn out the case at your level. Man, I see getting all the two whiskey. Very, very whiskey. Anybody that have eyes can see it, those that have ear can hear you lying with everything in you. It's unfortunate, very, very unfortunate. Now, again, he will to get no longer because I'm not the only one that's going to listen to this.
And I have never taken even one or half a the money of Biafra people.
Oku, not blink. You see how you are blinking your eyes very fast. That's an indicator. That's something, the what you are saying, you're not even sure. Ina America, if you take a lie dictator now, it that than that cause. Now go again.
Rather work my ass out and work real hard. I'm a hard working Biafra.
The truth is that you have worked hard, but you have worked hard and you are still working hard. But the question is, you channel your energy to negative stuffs. It is not easy to convince these people in a short period of time to form Kaba. Although you have this Kaba before, but you upgraded yourself and the method of Kaba that you want to elevate yourself to wherever you think you are now. And some Biafrans who refuse to pay attention to what is going on all this while, they're actually buying through that your nonsensical act. With Inchoncho, if they just support go in envelope by submit. These are the reason why you are still yapping. All these things, because how can you say that you are AP? Everything about you is questionable. The way you call CRC back, highly questionable and suspicious. The way you force yourself to become a leader, like you started calling for cabinet meeting. Who does that? You open your mouth and call them Achikota Ekwon. So that means whatever they say doesn't matter, but what you say matter. Who told you not that possible?
And the country, United States of America, of which I'm proudly to be proudly citizen as well. They love Biafrans like me. We make it happen here. We create jobs. We run businesses.
Excuse me. I have
social media.
I have somebody to respond to. You called yourself
from the right direction to the wrong path.
Okay, hold on.
All of you.
Florence. Hold on. Florence, you said, please make sure. You said, please make sure you don't run away. We are watching your movies. Okay. Florence, I am not your husband, number one. One thing about this, Akata in the Biafra. Some of you, Florence Ichi, were I've said it here before. Anybody that want to make a comment that direct to whoever you are addressing it to. But any suspicious comment, because I'm not even going through comment to be honest with you, because I focus on the video. But since my eyes have captured this your comment, I have to pause it and respond to you sharply. You are addressing who here? I felt that you are addressing to me. Please make sure you don't run away. We are watching your movie. You are meant to watch the movie, but the problem is that you are not paying for the movie. You understand? But let me remind you, I'm not your wife, your husband. That your husband, people like you, born in the husband, that's a way. I'm not your husband. And before you rise against me, you will fall. And you will fall because the reason why you will fall is this. My mind, my hands are clean. In water, my mind, my hands are very, very clean. I'm not here to sabotage. I'm not here to deceive you. I am not here. Say, I think she's referring to Nkere. I don't think she's referring to Nkere. I said it here. I'm not going to apologize to anybody because if you want to make your comment, put Nkere because I said it from beginning. How can you say you are watching movie? If you are talking to Nkere, talk to Nkere direct. Anybody that after hearing what I'm saying and decide to attack, feel that I'm saying something out of context because I know many threats that you guys are teaching. I watched Vam making his own threats. Why his social made her own a few days ago. He said you are talking to Nkere. You see, that's why I said, Florence, I am sorry, but please, can you make your comment direct to Nkere? Just mention Nkere or so that people will not misunderstand. Because here my comment is not meant for Biafran, Ray Biafrans, genuine Biafrans. My comment section is open for everybody. I know how criminal-minded Nkere group are. They can't stand this kind of broadcast. They don't. And even some of our brothers that are USB, they don't understand this kind of what I'm saying, because people who have their sense with them will always relate. I'm very, very sorry if I addressed Nkere. Please accept my apology. Mazakashi, okay, yes. Thank you, guys. Thank you for confirming that. I really appreciate you for that. Please, Florence, I'm very, very sorry, okay? I just want us to understand the reason why I'm saying what I'm saying, because I don't want any of them to come here, because I don't block like that with their own people, their own media team, they block anyhow. We don't block anyhow here. If you want to challenge us, you can come on and we'll talk. I will tell you the one I know. Then I will direct you to where you will get to another answer that you want to know. I cannot claim that I know everything. No, I don't. Nkere is acting what they gave to him to act. But let's continue. Let's continue. And please, if you are just joining us, make sure you like the video. Please click on the like button. Very, very important.
Just before November last year, all of you are singing praises of Mazi Sh0cking. All of a sudden, the same man that, now you all have ganged up to bring me down, to tear everything apart. But remember that bringing me down will affect everything we are doing. Is that what we want, Biafra? Those that want to destroy Nkere, I'm here in our beautiful office. Where are you now? Show me where you are. I'm in center of what we are doing. That is why you need to hold me so dear. And I'm doing everything that I can. Those that live in Switzerland, are you going to catapult yourself or fly like eagle from Switzerland to represent us in Washington, D.C.? Are you going to come from Switzerland to manage and take care of our beautiful office here in the orchard? Or is it the one in New York? There is a time, there's assignment in Washington, D.C., and I call one of the expert.
This guy, to be honest with you, the major problem of this guy, he's not well informed. He lacks understanding of what he's doing. He don't even understand. Honestly, he's just acting like a blind man. So you think that what qualifies you to become a leader of Biafra or Igbo people is because they made the land office in your hands in Anokwaya. What he's trying to tell you here is that before November, all of you, was calling him names. All of you were praising him. All of you were okay with him. You sing praises of him. Okay, Sh0cking, you are this, you are that. But now what has changed? He forgot that at that time, he has not shown his attitude. Like, he maintained his office as a finance minister. And not only that, his noise is not all that loud. But he took advantage of the trust that PM have on him for him to become resident agent. Two things that makes everybody suspect this guy is: one, changing the document of this office when PM was still here without consent of PM. Number one, that simply means that what happened to PM, he's aware of it before that thing happened. Because if not, what is it that what did he see that make him to change, to start processing it? And he paid express, because I was told that the money he's supposed to pay is $100, but in that document you can see almost $500 and something or $600. He paid, meaning that he paid for express process, like do it today. Reason is because in his own mind he felt that when people notice this thing, it will appear that he changed it when PM was here. So some people will see it as a normal thing because he did not sabotage because PM was here. But the truth is that he did it blindfolding everybody. Nobody knew. And he quickly rushed it so that it's not going to be leaked. And who now told him that PM will not be here by now? I don't know if you're following what I'm saying, because it's only when you know that something will happen to PM so date that you will start planning that kind of thing. I'm just trying to, figure out something, why he did what he did, the reason behind his action. But many of us may not reason that way. Some of us may see it as a normal thing, but it's not normal thing. He is not telling you that you should, hold him so dear. Hold him so dearly. You know why? Because he is the center of the whole thing. And that building not Maryland, the center of the whole thing. That's why people will not say their conscience, people's sense of reason will change, people that have their principle, that they don't support any manipulation, any decision will automatically, they will turn around because you are the owner of the Maryland office. You see the mentality of some of us. Very, very crazy and myopic. We Oluchiwa God, I greet you, sir. He said, I greet you. Listen to Nkere. I feel like throwing up. You are not alone, sir. But we have to listen so that we can know, so that our people will know how terrible this man is. If some of us that grew up in an environment, like in a family that don't tolerate this kind of criminality, manipulation, name it, we just format our principle because we want to accommodate Nkere because he's the owner of Maryland. Whoever that is molding this weed for you, that man, you shall never be well with that person. Because I don't know who is telling you to smoke the more, rap some more. He said, no, because this guy, now honestly. Again, so who told you that it works? That is just the easiest thing to do. Like, seriously? Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay. Let's continue.
Remember, I asked him if he will be able to attend. We're having a meeting with a congressman. He said, I will call you back. After 1 hour, 2 hours, before 3 hours, he said, no, I'm not going to be able to make it because the time period. But as for me, don't matter what time you wake me up, you call me, whether middle of the night, I will be there. Can you do what I'm doing?
Now, this is why I said that only your fellow criminal will listen to you and and rejoice. The reason is this: were you not doing the same thing that you were claiming that you are doing now when PM was here? Were you not also going to Capitol Hill to do that? You do, right? Now, continue doing it and distance yourself from dragging position to talk to men on ground. So if it's all about who is very close and who is not very close, so are you close to BDF? Are you now close? So can you now see what is going on in Okigwe to let us just use that method. Even if you don't know everything must be the way you want because you are in somewhere in Maryland and very close to Washington. And you are not the only Biafran living there. It's just that no, Emagonu, Igbos will put up before other people. Igbos will take up because it's the free. That's not the fact.
Him that is fighting me. For him that live in Georgia, we have emergency to be in Washington in the next few hours. Can you be there? Or is it those that live in Belgium and Netherlands? Can you catapult yourself to the epic center where it's happening?
How about those that are actually trying to get recognition from Israel? So how about if they say, okay, I also want to be acting president or acting APM also, because you are living in Maryland. Can you come to Jerusalem? Can you come to what's the capital city of Israel? I can't even remember. Is it Jerusalem? I don't know. Can you come there now because you want to meet in a meeting Netanyahu or congressman, whatever, that kind of thing. The same thing you are doing in the US. Or maybe those that are meeting in Russia, trying to get recognition in Russia, submitting document there. So they also want to be ATM. So because you that live in Maryland, you cannot, they need emergency meeting 5 minutes. You don't use this to manipulate people, my brother. It doesn't work that way. Anyway, I'm not going to continue playing this. We are going to go straight to just 1 minute again. Let's just play a little bit before we continue, before we stop.
We strongly believe our recognition will be coming from United States of America. Even if they don't recognize us first, they will play a vital role. What is happening in Nigeria today, all these sanctions and travel bans, do you know what causing? It's our activity in Washington, D.C. It's sinking in. We'll be having a breaking news next week. We have moved so deep. We have penetrated through U.S. government, especially from the Congress, and they are getting the message. First time ever. Actually, I'm just trying to open something that is not yet in public. First time ever that a committee in Congress have actually taken our written statement. They will publish it in Congress and we'll make it go viral. Biafra is here. If you're one of those that say in the spirit, oh God, if you're one of those that say in the spirit, everything that is happening in Nigeria today is the coming of Biafra. Yes. Why these people are fighting me? They say they expunged me. I'm still doing something in Washington. You expunge somebody who is still sitting in the beautiful office. I wish I can use this camera. I showed them the office again. I've never living like. Oh boy. Biafra is here. Yes. Just this week, Congress, they took a written statement from us. We highlight a lot about our leader, Mazi Namdeka, and our prime minister, and everything in general. And this will be the first time ever. It's going to be a big news once they publish it after. But they already have it, so it's not time to share the link. So that all these saboteurs, those that say they're pouring the Mazi which will get it, expose me, go here. Go your house. I'm a hey boy. Educated fools everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
Oh God. My fellow citizens, our freedom is in our hand. Be strong. Don't let anyone pull you back. Just keep doing what you are doing. You know yourself. If you are genuine, you know who you are. And for the saboteurs, keep doing what you are doing, because the more you guys keep doing your sabotage, we'll be getting stronger and we'll be cleaning the house. But it's a shameful thing that instead of supporting this great movement, some have decided to tear it apart, thinking they know it all. I came across a video of one of the fallen angels where he was narrating about how we have changed everything, changed the address, changed the resident agent. I'm like, this guy's really come. We don't even know how this works. But we thank God that if what happened have not happened, how will you know that such?
All right, let me bring Eggman. All right, Eggman also have something to say about this, and I hope his own will favor us. Eggman is something else. Let's start from Eggman. Where will I start now? Okay, let's start from here. Let's see.
You're the best, you know. Thank you so much. You know what? Please gather as much people as you can gather.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if there's anybody that listened to Isaiah Young in the town hall meeting. He is disobediently holding. Isaiah Young continues to disobey the order of our prime minister and continues to hold meetings. Even as an expelled criminal, he continues to hold meetings. The thing is that we never knew that Isaiah Young was a lying charlatan. Isaiah Young is a criminal and a charlatan. I never knew. You know, now that I know, you know, I've never really taken my time to listen to him for 30 minutes. But this morning, I was listening to Isaiah Young for up to 40 minutes, for over 1 hour.
But this guy is another lying machine. So you never take your time listen to this man that you have followed all these months. You have not listened to him for 30 minutes. Your ATM, His Excellency, your ATM, your if you did not listen to him all this while, how do you know that he have that long nose that you guys were talking about? Wow. So you have never taken your time to listen to him for 30 minutes. Now, wow.
These think facts for over 1 hour. These unprofessional think facts was busy lying to Biafrans that are being cooked.
Oh, now you know.
Pot of soup.
Kita came on at us.
Isaiah Young, he just go of a gona. The Provan Van Van. I tried to make no so go before, but now I make up my mind. I'm a wagon. I mean, Messiage, Udoganya that na Biafra carry. Do you understand? Yes. As far as Biafra is concerned, there's no friendship. That's why our Prime Minister keeps saying that now. I don't have a friend, I don't have enemies. Because he's open for everybody. So you cannot say because he's your friend, he should not correct you when you go wrong. Now, do you know that Isaiah is already comparing himself with Onyen Duman and the Prime Minister? Gaslighting everybody. You don't need to now, Isaiah Yogo,
so get that game.
Your location is not the office of Biafra. We are talking about Biafra land, not Maryland. We are talking about Biafra land. Biafra land is not Maryland. You know one thing?
This guy is the one that caused this problem. This Eggman. He is the major problem, the instigator of all this nonsense here. Many of you don't know. This guy is the source of Nkere, Deriko Mama. He's his source of strength. Oh, if you're not here, if you are men, I'm not going to take centuries. I know a good centuries to amend it. Nobody catching a kind of even name.
I love it that you are running away from my channel, but this message will go viral. It gives me joy. It gives me so much joy that criminals like you will publicize this message. And her gang. So it is better for you to come here and listen. Because whether you come here to listen or not, they will collect this message. And it will go viral. After this message, it will go on all platforms. You will see bam everywhere. But that nonsense, Nkere did yesterday. You will see it. There's have to go there to look for it. But on all tabloids now, after this message, they are gathering. Some of them are watching from the window. Because I am I am a child of heaven. I am the armor Prime Minister. I am the legitimate information minister for Biafrans. So if you talk about somebody that didn't ask for any office, it is me. I never asked for any office. Okay, gaslighting Biafrans. I never asked for this office. I never asked for finance minister. I never asked for APM. You are a lying dingbat. You never asked for office of APM. But you were given acting prime minister. And now you sit down there and you are bragging like an idiot that you are. You are bragging and saying, hey, ask them, those in Switzerland. And yes, are you sitting in the office? Come and see this beautiful office. Do you think that office is Biafra? Hey. Oh no, can you open your eyes? Face reality, that office is not Biafra. America. Why are they not doing it in Switzerland? If you are not a goat, Isaiah, if you are not a goat, you would have known that Biafra that made you where you claim you are now, it didn't start from that very land. You don't have sense. You are nothing but sense because I will be insulted.
It's talking as sons, I see you.
Finland, where you travel from Maryland to go. Finland is not in America. Your PM is in America. It's PM in America on you to come and listen to me. Your PM on America. You are sitting there in an office in Maryland and you are claiming, who is this Jimba? You are an idiot. Come here to talk. You know that you cannot come here and say you are idiot. I will block you. Idiot. You are a fool. You are an idiot. Don't come here. I am not supposed to. Okay, God bless you. If you come here and say God bless USB, I will block you. Let me warn you. Anybody that come on my platform and write USB, God bless USB, I will know that you are only to, and I will block you. You will disappear from my platform. You goats. So later you will go to your USB channel because this message will still go there. Kia TV, the Holy Mala, idiots, and all of them. They will carry my message. All of them, they will carry this message. So all of you come to my office and you come USB, come down with fire.
This is just open my favor. Eggman. Eggman, I'm not going to okay, now, mommy visa balamos. I'm not getting the number of man. Eggman. Like Care TV. So, I'm not about holy Muslim because not holy. Hold on, let me take it back. What do you actually call me?
Finland, where you travel from Maryland. And I will block you. You will disappear from my platform. Goats. So later you will go to your USB channel because this message will still go there. Kia TV, the Holy Mala, idiot, and all of them. There's one other idiot that will carry my message. All of them, they will carry this message. So all of you see there. You come to my office and you come USB, thunder will fire your generation, that idiot. We are not yet in USB. We are waiting. We are going to. Biafra Republic Government Ezra will bring USB. As it is all of you, bunch of fools that I'm addressing.
This guy, Emma, come and get that now. We need to start making some amendments. Those who are going to government because now actually not all the too much. I don't wish anybody bad though, but you see, you know within you know the mistakes that you made, but you want to paint it as if you did not do anything, you did the right thing. Really. This is a joke that you are fuming and you are very, very angry about him. Now you establish him. You are the one that molded him. PM said nobody should tamper with Biafra Liberation Army. You connected Nkere to success. To do what? You did it. You said in Finland that all of you are moving together, planning what? How to sabotage. In fact, let's continue because I think you said something here.
Isaiah, now, do you know what the idiot, the charlatan liar, was telling the people? He said that we hate him. Okay? Look at what you people are doing. The charlatan Onuchu was lying to people that, why are you hating me? Why are you hating me? Now Biafra's listening to me and listening go. This criminal, I know, we know that nobody hated him. Nobody. If he was hated, we knew that he cannot speak well. We knew he's not much in job. We know. If those that were supposed to handle this were, available and ready to do, nobody would give him that place. Nobody. Do you understand? This one is saying, who elected you, you criminal? Who elected you, criminal? Who elected you? Nobody. So you know that nobody hated you. There is nothing like hate. No, it has nothing to do with hatred. Isaiah, no, nobody hated you. You are the one that hates Biafrans. He's sitting in an office in Maryland.
This life no balance, you forget. You see, hold on.
We are uneducated.
You see this guy. You don't know the damage you have caused. You don't know the gravity of your action. What the setback that you brought for people of Biafra. Now you know that he did not budge your chop, right? Oh, when now you talk. And you put him and put COS. Why did you choose him than COS? And because I am here to see the reason, to hear you guys give us that reason. Oh, no, Nigerian agent. Oh, no, Nkere. Hi. Everything that happened, every fight, this delay, this guy is one of the reasons why those things happened. This very guy. Because when you say that Nkere is this, that, Did you just notice that? Is it now that you notice that? What has changed? Oh, each time you need a flip flop, people should follow you to continue doing that. It will take people a very long time to get out from this guy, from damages caused by this very guy. Oh, now they put Kai TV. Oh, yeah, they put it on a man. Instead of you are doing, feeling a positive or negative. But in this aspect, it's pure negative. Look at you.
You are an ignorant charlatan. You are nothing but an ignorant charlatan. Because if you are not an ignorant charlatan, you will not be lying to gullibles. When we go to school, telling you that we should know that in our dialogue you cannot be president. So you know we cannot be president. Why did you go and change it? The question you people should be asking this idiotic charlatan is that, Nkere, did you change that document? Then he will answer you yes. You ask him why. That's the question. Did you change the document? Did you even change? You attempt to change it? What were you in the original and what are you now? He will answer you. Then you ask him why. You will not ask the idiot. The fool will sit down there and say, in Switzerland, Imam Madabu and the rest of them, you are a goat. Imam Madabu is a holy saint. And you know, Emma, you know that your disgrace will be open to the whole world. You open your gutter and you're saying that Mazin Namdekano, he believes in unity. He doesn't divide. But you are dividing Biafrans. Master Moneta believes in unity. Are you uniting Biafrans, you idiots? Are you uniting Biafrans? Shameless you.
Using the same question to ask you, when you started doing all this meeting, planning and plotting like you said, was that to unite Biafra or to disunite Biafra? Even at January, February, March, were you uniting Biafra then? When you pick egg, begin to break egg, invoking, I don't know. What was your intention? Were you doing that to unite Biafra or to disunite Biafra? This guy is one of the problems, whether you like it or not. I don't hate you because I'm a Kai TV. I don't hate you. I'm just trying to explain what you are doing because oye bumaya, oye bu ima quarter, pan wine, oye be an isa than this is ya. Oh, then I can say, oye bumaya is oye go up here, you know, hear the other.
You know, uniting Biafrans now. Are you not dividing the house? Are you not the one that gather people on earth space and make them, you people, blue tick all of them, to go ahead and start lying to Biafrans? But it's just a matter of days. Isaiah, it is just a matter of days. It is just a matter of days.
You are not even proud of what you have done.
I made a mistake to block
you are not proud of what you have done so far. As a man, like I said before, can you also go back to your previous broadcast and listen to yourself? Then if you are contented, if you're okay with it, that means you are reasonable enough. But if you are not, amend your way. Amend your way.
I see here, I will look for you and unblock. Anyway, I will do that later. So Isaiah Nyoko, people nothing but God bless you. Deceiving Biafrans. I don't know where you are watching from. Don't know where my brother is watching from.
This guy.
Okay.
It was something else, honestly. I thought you should be by now, like you should have realized your mistakes.
That's his name
But they are not.
William. Okay, William.
You can focus it back.
Yeah, it was a mistake. I need to look for you. I don't know which of the channel you're watching from.
Eggman.
Okay,
Julie
from Ajere Globe.
wait, Julie can pause go there na ko. Julie man egg or galon in Europe. Kwacha akwa kwa nke udene kwa nke egbe kwa nke ọgazi. Kwechiri. No. Abụlọ yo cho afute gba fogolo gi mia. The man emele gi jiwe ma ya ba mochacha ya ba. Gị na-eme kola this guy. You know, if not this recent confession, people would have known the gravity of what he has done. And they could not communicate with the men on ground. The memo CRC that you are still praising now lied to you and to Biafrans that Isaiah and Yogo, PM introduced him to men on ground. Without knowing that you are the one. No, go about that PM. Connect Isaiah and Yogo to men on ground. You are the one saying it here, publicly, exposing yourself.
Man, that I just block now. If you see my block industry, plenty. Block industry is plenty. I don't know which channel.
Because you are doing a very good work. You are doing here. Let me skip this in a bit. I don't want to skip any much here because I want to.
Do anything back.
Let me see if
Okay, William Onyeka, I'm going to unblock you later. Okay. Yeah, it took me time, but it's okay. So how can you be lying? How can you be lying? Somebody say, is it Pastor Mama, is it possible for CRC to chase him out of that building because CRC needs an office? Don't worry, CRC have you ever seen where CRC is operating inside office before? You should be using your head. Oluchi, you are always committing rubbish. Be very careful. Have you seen where CRC have they shown you office where they are operating before? Who told you that CRC need office to operate? CRC doesn't need any office to operate. Stop deceiving yourself. CRC, they are a body of individuals, and we have CRC chairman. CRC chairman office, his own personal office. Nkere cannot enter there. If you enter there, they will ask the chairman, please, can I sit down? CRC chairman,
bragging department.
Office where he's working. Before Nkere enter there, he will ask him, Daddy.
I beg you.
Minister for Briggy. I don't know, because every one of us, the office here is not a permanent office. So for you to see the stupidity of these goats that is telling you, hey, where are you sitting now? I am here in Maryland. That office, wherever, even if that office is inside Trump office, is a temporary office, not a permanent office. Whatever you are in this Briggy is temporary.
Oh, now you know. Oh, so now you know that whatever you are in this Briggy is temporary. But when the cabinet was reshuffled and you are being removed as deputy information minister, boom, you said the meeting with Nkere, never meeting Ayara. Because you want to tear everything as apart because of this honorable Ajere. You follow them mother, so you know that it's not permanent. Whatever you are in this Briggy is temporary. Let's go back a bit. So you know.
It's not a permanent office.
Now listen.
Whatever you are in this Briggy.
Whatever you are in this Briggy
is temporary.
So after redeclaring Biafra, office or he taking a brain. Then you started acting. If you know that what you did is right, my question to you is this: why didn't you give Nkere, connect Nkere to men on ground through success before even November? Before, in fact, when PM was here, that very time that COS announced the dissolve or reshuffling, changing of cabinet and having new cabinet members and all that. according to the plan on ground. I said something after watching how the way you guys are going on social media, start, by batting everybody, calling people names, trying to instigate problem that, COS stopping is about men on ground. If you have joined us, when we started, we played a voice note of Oyame to Nkere. Then, when they were having a set of words, Oyame lectured Nkere and exposed to him something that most of us already know. That the reason why the reason why they are shouting, oh, she cancelled fundraising, she cancelled fundraising. It's not about cancel fundraising. They're using that to gain grant, to establish their own argument, then to reveal their true identity because they have had plans already, just to share it, bring it out, simply because their offices was changed. And he's here trying to take, because nobody today near now. Another was that now whatever you are in this brigade, it is temporal. It is temporal. Coming from a man, maybe if I
The office is inside from office. It's a temporary office, not a permanent office. Whatever you are in this brigade is temporary. Temporary. There's nobody that have a permanent office. Even the prime minister doesn't have a permanent office because when Biafra comes, there's going to be an election. Biafrans are going. The prime minister, Simon Ekpa, is going to present himself for an election to be elected. If Biafrans see that what he did was very good, they will vote him. Biafra is not just going to begin now and then Simon Ekpa will be the prime minister automatically. No, it's not done that way. It will begin with a structure. If that goat is behaving like a clown, deceiving people, if they hate me, why are they hating me? They were singing my praises. Yes, we will sing praises of anyone that is doing good. If at that point you are doing something good, we will talk good about you. But right now you are nothing but shit. You are worse than shit and you are a fool smelling. 20 fool. Look, as far as we are concerned, that remains our address. You see that place? It remains our address. Okay, if the people hear him, he said, I hear Kepu that they want to sue me. Are you going to sue the owner? So now Nkere. Is Nkere the owner of Briggy?
This Briggy, this is your Briggy now, yes. He's the owner. And because you guys made him the owner. Look at you. You made him the owner. Especially you, Eggman. Ilulana. Ima obo no oge ochie self no aga ekwesi ige gom. O ige gom with akpọpụta gị na makpụgharị gị na ya. Ilulana. Ịlụ ka ana. Ọ bụla oge ochie oge enuba n'ọsa. Ọ weta ọmụ gị na gị right and left. Charota chakacha ga wole gichiche gị na gị. Kpọgharị gị n'ime ahụ ikwete na ọ na-eme. Because ịlụ ka ana. Ịlụrụ ezigbo ana.
Okay, Nkere the owner. Isaiah the owner of Briggy. The answer is no. The official office of Briggy is Baltimore, 7,200. That's the office. The official office, the letter-headed paper of Briggy is still intact. The day Nkere will know what is done on him is when that law that upholds America will do him like this. Did he begin Briggy? The answer is no.
You say for Naki, I don't use a handcuff before. You say for Naki, it's not a Judy you oh my friend on them. My anger body matter of game my own anger but people like you that dragged him pretending that he is the angel. So if I need him before, because you are just saying as if you are, then just open your eyes now. Can the pastor make a deliverance in the claim? Or you make this deliverance? If the boom if I need it now. But be who you are. It change your tata. Why your friend they call your madam come why you such a Nabo chameleon? Now you change in the morning if you are natural blue, naturally in the afternoon you are natural pink. Even if I turn to black, I know if any man for this Biafra. I get him that I think they watch. And yet, she's also calling my name also. Oh, Kelena TV, Kai TV. All of you, I don't know what is wrong. Doesn't mean that you guys don't have TV at home. I have said it many times here. My channel name is not Kai TV. They always they keep on putting TV, Kai TV. Anyway, it's good. It's good. But I'm just saying, everything that you guys have done is laughable. Eggman, you better look for a way to find a way to amend your way. I don't know. I cannot give you advice because it's the good nature. I try to get me a good and get an chief create let me just try. Not on me. I pity the egg because if you like, break 1 trailer load of eggs. Calling kind report. The coach he would isi imote isi mas ekoleb ige ekoli ogbakacha ga because na amom ya won over kwa na afia o ka man ị ga just no chira kwa ga ebe sala arụrụ anụ too much ọ bụ na oge enu ba na ọsa gị wa bụ Eggman e wo ta agbara drug ya na wo million yuta ga ego mpogara gacha na ahịa ikwete na ọ na-eme Sh0cking if you contribute. Some people develop high BP because of your actions. When convention they mention in Finland, some of us self joy you go mad the self. And now in the church, some of my friends, the Biafra, nonsense argument. Watch child self. The fact that Taichon can make the colonna. Nebugazi can reference my YouTube this thing even negative phenomenon. Obule gena sana parawa ono de ka bakoro na cause nonsense. Unu call save after everything what happened. Chiko non jakiro can you no nandi dutra kama ma the way internal meeting. Mba no you cannot continue this way. Amom if una you share code to akoyeri. Mas, mom no wolves. Jide heart and mother, the heart and mother deep here. Beba na fit coil na cause. Can I get a mess? He's a criminal. And you know. Nana, you know. Be thinking as I was the criminals. Or could actually one year? It can get it too much. I'm telling you. And the annoying part is, even now they're still claiming rights. Nkere somehow knows that he's a criminal. That's why he's walking ahead to patch his way by manipulating and trying to claim what he's not. Nkere himself, when you are naked. Nkere at least his own criminality, he's working day and night to cover it. That's why he's using Elias to cover some pretending. Okay, go upside the and they go to blue this one your chopper in a bag guy in the street Italy. This guy your bicycle. I'm not coming up pump that tire that in a pump. He put an go in the queen I feel maybe as of that. But think I go to Nako. Face come and Nako, not Toashi upon a chin get to half bone. Not nonsense. Now look at.
Did he register with you originally? The answer is no. Who is the original document? As the PM, as the director, is Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. What is Nkere in the original document? A resident address. And so all these people yaya, and all of them are doing. I'm just looking at them and I'm laughing. Yeah?
You are laughing. Really?
The good people. That he's calling
really, you're laughing.
Shameless charlatan. He's calling, if not for now, when we came back from Finland, who is Bishop Comfort? When we came back from Finland, who is Chicken Apple? When we came back from Finland, Sonny did not go to Finland. You people are calling Sonny. You people are talking about 3 wise men. It is because Bam came out and did something.
What is that thing that you did? Thank God no signal about that. In Aniana, now they could 3 wise men because Van came out and did something. After planning inside, you came out also and did so. So how can someone exonerate you from all this thing? If you bomb the criminal, Okay, get it or the sent now, maybe no, because you are the architect of all this nonsense. Imagine Uyo Sikula can have been Marabacado, Gazoshi, or Nabacado, or what was the Soka Nabacado. If we are, is of it so no Uyosio calling to call to the alert people. It got a corner edge, corner one edge, then check him away in Apata. In our way, okay, Bacawos, yes, all in up at the seek me break it, all in up. Inesa. So you are now the eyes of the criminal. So your job and the job of that criminal, because that criminal kind of glasses, but I said that off man. You are that is your job. That's exactly what you did. Somebody that back at all. Now I told you now panic in a week and I open an affair. Before you know it, he put an okay, that up again, man. It was a set to seek back on it all around. I don't want anybody in moving up. Like joke, in a check. Now, where I say, in fact, yeah, this door, not get take it. I'm named better than the key. I will keep back. This is exactly what you did. Yeah, he got the snake was now that criminal. And I took a day back at that criminal. I never not like a war boy for that criminal. Who are you? What do you actually call your role, your job to everything of the credit? That Sonny did not go to Finland. He's here exonerating Sonny from this criminal act, that he's the one that did it in his own mind. They have a three wise, they have instigator, the source or the strength of that three wise man. You, what makes you wise? I'm more okay, man. I'm three wise man. He said three thieves. But what is wise? Three witches or wizards, joy killers. He never knew. God will say, okay, look at this guy. Just here.
Finland. Sonny did not go to Finland. You people are calling Sonny. You people talking about three wise men. It is because Bam came out and did something.
In Anya.
If Bam kept quiet, there's nobody that will talk about three wise men. Nobody. Am I screaming it all over the place? Yes.
So what is the benefit of that three wise men as we speak? Before you creation of three wise men and Nan, which of them is more good for Biafrans? Before is our three wise man. That thing that makes you wise. Of what benefit is that thing to Biafrans, to free to Iman, this guy, hi. Nah. Anyway, or if you man about of or if you know look at this guy. So the three wise man now is you. Of what benefit is that your wiseness? Three wise man. Now I'm gonna come here wise man of stupidity. So yeah, now you are wise. Anyway.
Guys, no. Am I more important than anybody? The answer is no. Will I come and make myself more important because I'm the one that started the revolution, that made sure Ngozi was nipped on the ball?
In area, I am the one that started the revolution. So that plan we are discussing, in Finland, we stay together, me and Nkere, we stay together, we go out together, we plan together. So that revolution is all about what we are seeing now. That is in your own mind of revolution, the way of you carry out that revolution. What are you actually agitating about? One choncho mini office, no carry any weight, information minister. In a man, you put a very solid definition of that office. You can't even define it. In Carbon school, now I'm being honest, because I've worked as the only deputy information minister ever in this surface of earth. Follow the challenge the money aqua. Bulako Kwaswa. As and you are honorable minister in a honor aqua fresh egg destroyer. This guy. And
dealt with. And Biafra continued. And this shameless charlatan became a APM.
How can they go dealt with? Wait,
I am the one that called the
you dealt with who? That CS is dealt with. Ọnọdụ nọ na anọdụ gị mma ihe na maka na emetụ gị aka n'ugwuta mmiri na-agba gị n'ukwu na because of heat if you metere with every morning this guy gbawa camera confession na-emege taa dịka na village mama I don't know some of us some of us that grew up in village like you will see someone that is sick maybe age woman or man that have done terrible things secretly, maybe poison people, that have tied series of people using poison in the village. This is not about witches, so this is about giving poison when they're having maybe any feast or any like a party like that, maybe anybody that throw party or maybe where they're doing burial, the person will go there with his poison and begin to poison food of people. Poison drink of people, buying people. So he will register people to die in a burial ceremony. He will go this of mourning the dead, he will go there to poison another person to die in the future. After doing those things, it will get a point that Nemesis will not catch up with that person. He will begin to confess that I am the one that once you see people, he begins to cry as if he's possessed. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, put the information. Say yes, I know what you're talking about. The person will be confessing. Sometimes before they do that, and another person, maybe the person that maybe a relative or maybe this assumes that somebody died, they will go to do charm to find out what led to his death. Then they do something like reverse back to sender. If the nemesis, when the nemesis come, maybe the person have biases of people, and because of that recent one, the thing will just catch up with the person. The person will not only he will confess about the recent one that he did, he will confess everybody that he or she has spied in the past. If I'm from my place, it's sister, you'll be confessing what you did, something that the person have. This is graveyard secret or grave secret, something that he or she believe that nobody will know this, even at the point of death, he's not gonna say it. But when the message come, your mouth, he or she cannot control that thing, the word that comes out from his or her mouth, because all kind of pain, spirit will be tormenting the person. The person will be confessing. This guy will on his camera every morning, begin to confess. Begin to confess. Yes, you are right, bro. This one rating the crisis. 8 months of harvest and Thanksgiving. Even our DPM up. I think you guys are saying something different here. Where has the revolution taken him and his group? That is JJ. Thank you. Exactly. Say he nailed himself, honestly. Where is Vision 555 or the vest? That's what I'm saying. What I'm saying, that one has that one don't take cover now. Now, please, I don't know if what I said. Let not forget he is an actor in a Nigerian movie. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So this guy always come out every morning to confess, to tell the whole world his contribution, his ordeal so far. Very, very fun. I don't think he's doing it ordinarily. Something is pushing him to do that. For you to say what you just said now simply means that, I'm strong, I see you. You're welcome. You're welcome, my brother. This to tell you that he don't know rather what he's doing. He's here bragging about what he did.
But I told him, look, you must stand on this side of truth. Ask the idiot.
Few days ago,
no.
I told you guys that this is not the first time he's saying this. In one of his videos, weeks ago, he said it, that he is the one that caused Sana Barawa to get hold of him. Otherwise, even I said it yesterday or the day before, he said on our broadcast. He's repeating it here again. And I'm happy because this will validate what I said a few days ago.
Will I come and make myself more important because I'm the one that started the revolution, that made sure Ngozi was nipped on the ball and dealt with, and Biafra continued, and this shameless charlatan became a APM. If Bamba did not act, what would have happened? I am the one that called the shameless Akibong and bed. I told him, look, you must stand on this side of Pluto. Ask the idiot. He knows. I called him and told him, this fool that is now sitting inside office and saying, come and remove me here. Is it my building?
Frank, I think you can relate.
Shameless people.
Yeah, and
thank you. Now he's claiming, this is what we now wake you up. He is claiming he is the owner of British government because he has the original document in his possession. Which original? The original document is the first document. Now I need to educate you. The original document
is the
prima document first. And on that first document, the Prime Minister has
you know. You
understand? The Prime Minister has the original document. Isaiah Anyok, who was in that document, his resident address. And now some of you fools that have no sense that he's deceiving. A common criminal, that's what he is. Some of you that is deceiving will not ask him, but we have original registration. What happened? All these documents that is coming up today, Ruby Nabi secretary. Tomorrow, Samuel Samson Amobi is secretary. What is the meaning? You were a resident agent and now you are president. What is the meaning? All this story you are talking about in British bylaw, there's no president. All this people talking about presidency, illiterate people, you are a fool. Who's talking about it? You think you can talk to Biafrans and then intelligent people will ask you questions. The reason why, let me tell you guys, from a very low tone, the reason why we are talking about this thing, it is not because Isaiah Anyok and what he's doing is having any impact on Britain. The reason why we are saying it is so that you will know that Isaiah Anyok is a criminal. Any one of you giving him money today, you are giving money to a criminal. He will not impact Britain in any way. He is an intruder.
Now I'm gonna stop it here because after saying all this thing he said here, because the way Biafrans reacted on this are reacting on this video, he decided to get back at USB government. This guy, honestly, I thought he's reasonable enough, but he's not. And he decided to body shade himself in name of doing broadcast. Honestly, I am going to share this with us. Just a moment. Let me see if I can bring that his video. Just a moment. Eggman is seriously running mad. Honestly, it's unfortunate. Where is that? His okay, is he not? Does it mean that he's not here? I think he should be here. Okay, yeah. Oh God. So Eggman decided to show his anger because I am trying to bring it on the screen. Just give me some time because I don't know why it refused to appear here. No, it refused to appear here. Let me. This is the program he did after the one that I just showed to you now, because he want to get, to provoke or to irritate Biafrans because of his people are mocking him. The feedback that he's receiving is not friendly at all, and he's not happy that people seem to ignore Nkere now and focus on him. But he don't understand that the reason is because people know that he is the reason why Nkere, is talking. Without him, Nkere wouldn't have done what he have done. And that is the reason why people are looking at him with a kind of one eye. Now, he should know that, because everything he did with Nkere is now in public. So people know what his own contribution so far, and they are trying to remind him of that. He's trying to dodge it, but it's too late. I just give me some time. Let me see how, because I don't know why I cannot share the. You want me to start with this? I can't go back. This going back and forward, it doesn't make any sense to me. Let me close. Let me start it from beginning again and see. Although the video is not important, it's just like trying to insult himself. But I just wanted to see the level of his reasoning, because if I thought he's a man enough, he wouldn't have, he wouldn't have done what he have done. But I will try my best to flash it so that you can see. We may not play it from beginning to the end, but just for you to know. He's playing, each time he played this, he starts his program with this kind of this drum, this music now. Or never go see Olosigo. Man, this is a sign that he's not finding it funny. He's not finding it funny. Now, since I cannot, I can't see the link to share it for you to see. Let me play it just for a few minutes before I open my line. For those of you that would like to contribute before we end the broadcast, there is something I wanted to share because I want you to see his facial expression on this, But no problem. Maybe let me try one more time while we are listening to that.
The network in this trouble. I just can stabilize the good here. The web in Nigeria, we use of my network in Nigeria, and put up the one church. Okay, can I about get when you Southeast government, South governors? When I'm about federal, I would have and then we get I would have been a minister in Nigeria now. So, they follow and let's do it as an air for our they take you, they don't know. No, they have to be saying I have the best life here.
Oh no, the life is taxi when I say Nigeria. You say connection in Nigeria where me Nigeria name. So Paul can kill that no can about south east southwest. No na use na so when na about federal. Na when are you game with to even the woman come from the world you touch Saturday. I go for the analyze psychiatric hospital where I need it. Okay, so where did it? So where did it? No, one about how God, yeah, 3 months take another, I don't take another, yeah, because about the cuckoo man about now, I want to get you a sister and say, we see Biafra, Simon. I don't even want to talk about that food. You know, there are some discussions I don't even want to, because Biafra is already know. Biafra, even one today in this struggle, one on the same table. On the same table with somebody like Sani Akarawa and the Nkere and what I swear to God that will never happen. Whether all the talk they say or not, again, people don't even know me. You see, how can Macedonians make this? Open very deep. Open this woman who could about Nigerian network. Be very deep. Actually, we could be the cool down here. Prophet Muhammad, God bless his soul. Prophet Muhammad, God bless his soul. Prophet Muhammad, God bless his soul. And then.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Armstrong, for your super chat.
Giving you playback.
God bless you. God bless you.
I'm giving you guys playback.
God bless you.
Let me leave this. Let me see if there's another playback I will bring for you before I will introduce this topic for us to see. Because some of these things, I have them all the video.
I will continue to work with those idiots. They have no clue. They have no clue at all. Odogu Jepota, Athanaye, does so bad, they are very good. Marian Magu, I have a room now. When Odogu Jepota, Asno, dosi, Edosia, Manaitia, more that may I apply. Odogu Jepota, Odogu Apuruno. Odogu never surrogate. Odogu never put USB. Susan, there does it. Come and eat your own eye apply. By then, they destroy it again. Una for no down for mission. Odogu Nanya and down for mission. Odogu Nanya nothing but under get up to where put up Zimbabwe. Tien Kuno Konu. Everybody turn against that more. Everybody. But I young because more your pipe low. And I pay. I pipe low. Mana or my name another way system to come out. Then I come out. Mkwachiri. Million years before. Now no matter I'm on the way to and 1 year to the yacha. Now no matter aja. Manke way.
Now let me end these criminals here. You know, when COS said that Nkere is usually playing Southeast and South political game, that her own is federal. That does not mean that she's going out to war for Nigeria. That statement does not mean that she is, she's here to destroy Biafra and favor Nigeria. Do you understand? What she actually trying to say is this. After setting everything that she was, no, I'm not supposed to go to, say this kind of thing. After setting everything the way it's supposed to be, she will now use her contacts in Nigeria to achieve what she wants to achieve. The thing is that this freedom that everybody is looking for, the way Nigerian government is using some people, some Biafrans, to get what they want, to stop, to limit, is the same way that also Biafrans have contacts in Nigeria to get what they're supposed to get. Like I said, this is a sensitive issue, but eating pataka and senseless like why Isocha don't reason that way. She don't know, she don't care. Because everything is straightforward to them. Straightforward. They don't think, they don't reason. Like, I have many things to say about this, but I'm not gonna further. I just want to give you an idea of that, what that means. Okay? Because some people, Eggman saving it, I have it. You have what? You have, because you are senseless. That's exactly what it means. You are not sensible, you don't reason properly. If you say you are suspecting her, keep on suspecting until you have proof. When you have proof, then let us. We always say Nigerian government is using our brothers. Nigerians, Nigerian agent of Nigeria. So Nigerian government coming closer to our brother to gather information from Biafrans and use it against Biafra. Does it mean that Nigerian, those one working for Nigeria that are coming closer, they are not Biafra sabotaging Nigeria? Use your sense. The same way they're coming close to you, they are using you. You also need to play the same thing internally. So when she said that Nkere is playing Southeast, she actually not saying that Nkere is working with Nigerian governors to save Biafra. She did not use the word. Okay, just quote her the way she said it. Don't add, don't subtract. But I'm telling you that this idea of no, you're in contact with Nigerian government, no, it's a taboo, no, you can't get it, no. Without that, you won't know how you won't know the plan they are planning against you. You only anyway, please let me just like I said, for me to go deep on this, people may it may not go down well. All right, so let's just take it the way you want to take it. But those who have sense already know what I'm talking about. Eggman saving is just this to tell you the level of his own sense of reason, the way he reasons, the way he thinks. Here is the link for somebody that would like to contribute. So just few people, then I'll end it because I need to have some rest also. Okay, please, anybody that want to. If I did not see anybody shepherdly, then we'll call it a day. We call it a day. And Ogwede first exactly, KC Becker is here. Say a cookie is an ago. Madam Origin is here with us. You're welcome, man. You're welcome.
I kind of muted and unmuted myself.
I see. You're welcome.
Thank you. What a day. Do you want me to make a comment now?
Of course, the floor is yours.
Oh, I greet everybody, all well-meaning Biafrans. God bless everyone.
You're welcome.
It's important that we be resilient and stay focused and be consistent like you, Mr. Kai. Thank you for all you do. And I just want to use this opportunity to make this comment. What is his name? I think it's Mr. Okay, there's Triple M yesterday. There is you, and what's the other guy that has the spanner? I don't know how I skip his name. At the level of maturity you all showed today, I kind of respect that.
Okay. I know you are talking about.
Yes. So yes, I just want to.
Nelson Mark, right? Nelson
yes,
Mark.
Yes, both of you are matured men, and that is what we need in our society, to have people that we agree to disagree. When we agree to disagree, when everybody bring their disagreements, it's because we agreed to disagree each other. At the end of the day, we come back and balance things. So I appreciate both of you.
Thank you.
With today's, all that you showed today, that is one of the reasons why I come to work every day. I made it a duty. Because, like I told everybody, all well-meaning Biafrans, all reasonable, responsible Biafrans, when you leave this job in the hands of these people, God forbid, we will, if not for God and for people like you, Mr. Kai and Kelena and all of that came and Pechirila, I said we're not going to give these people breathing space. It is the likes of this Nkere, aka Nkere, or aka Isaiah Anyogo. Either way, I don't know which one comes first. This Pastor Dibia, I call himself Vam Vam Vam. The first minute he's doing rendition, the other one he's breaking egg. In between, he's doing anything. The like of the one that called herself a Keogba. Can you imagine someone calling herself a python that moves and it's like you're on your own? If you ever get in touch with people like that, the likes of Imam Madrabu, do you know that these are the people that are ruling that contraption? Go, just visualize it. These are the type of people that are holding the affairs, the hem of affairs. I don't even think Isaiah Onyogo's in quotes, please. This I have disclaimer because I only talk of facts. What I have to see the papers before I agree. They say he has criminal records. But there are so many inside that contraption that have criminal records that are walking around boldly with level of impunity that is unimaginable. That is what these people wanted to. It's like if you can't stop these Biafrans that don't want us to rule them, we push what look like us. Capital rejectamento. Big capital. We have redeclared Biafra, and we will protect the integrity of our nation. Do you know why this man is so deluded that he does not? It's so weird that a man lies and lies, rely his lie, cook his lie, eat the lie, dish the lie to his cronies. And Biafrans, gullible Biafrans are swallowing that lie and are sponsoring the lies. This man did you people hear him talk about revolution? What they planned was a revolution over our new baby United States of Biafra. They have already planned a revolution over it to take it, snatch it, to run away from, to snatch it from us and run. When they now run, they get to okay because they all have frozen brain. They will now keep forcing. You see, have you heard how these people curse? look at the people, look at the magnanimity, the audacity to curse people and still ask them to come and contribute. And people are listening to these people. Let me tell you why. It's because that's all they knew. People have gone and relegated and subjected themselves to abuse. That when abuse comes, they are like the sadist and the masochist. Somebody will be the sadist. Someone is on the receiving end. And they are, it is amazing. It's shocking. And that is why I'm here every day and I talk to the people I come here to talk to. You see, all these righteous people that feel that they are going to live our world, the world God gave to us, the Biafra I know, the place where I was raised, men stand up. They make sure that truth is upheld wherever they are. So all these people that have left Biafra for the likes of Nkere and the Hope Uzodi, whatever he calls himself, there are still men that call themselves, that want to go to heaven, that think that God will accept them. When they left that man to be messing up the politicians, to be messing up the land, look at the level of spill of BLOOD. Because people get some change and they can buy, they build the gates, they join and pretend they don't know they are enjoying the loot from iniquity. Look at what this man is. Mr. Kai, you and Kelena, they should come, all these pastors should come and tell me why God won't accept you and reject them. If they cannot defend the truth and stand for truth and say truth must prevail in our land. Enough of this evil. They say, let them be. And here we are. I can't thank you people enough. And I tell all of us, anybody that is awake should stay awake. Whatever you know to do, if you say you know how to talk to God, you must take time and do it. You must donate your hours and your sleep to say, God, enough of this evil. In case they don't know what evil is going on in that place, they should see what is going on in Benue, Plateau. These are areas where Christians are concentrated. They are dying them, and you think they are not coming after the ones that are down east. And we are here pretending. Let us stop pretending and know that evil is evil, and stop this evil and defend the truth. If you can't defend truth, that means you don't speak truth. Don't bear witness against truth. You all are here. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in the dungeon, and we have full-grown men, adults, fathers. Why is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still in dungeon? Why did a full-grown senator say to let his own son, that Nigerian government should apprehend his son? Enough of this evil. And I tell them, I don't see anything different between Imam Madrabu, the likes of Nkere, and all of them that call themselves elders in Biafra land. They need to stop this evil. And they should emulate from those that, they are young children. Your children have gone to Finland to get their freedom. And you are still there, sabotaging it. Shame on our elders. And all of them that have closed their mouths, going meetings behind the doors to destroy their own children. Shame on them. Shame. I rested there.
Thank you so much. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. But you need to also calm yourself down. I can sense anger.
No. There is nothing like calming down. Look, I don't have blood pressure. I stand for truth. I defend truth.
I understand.
And
I
if
understand.
anybody comes out and begin to say, "Oh," and shouting, let them go and do the right thing. Enough of this nonsense. It is our elders. It is our elders that are sabotaging their children.
It's true.
Let me tell you, tell me what, and there is nothing that is the problem. It's just that go to the north, you will see that they respect their children, and that their children say, "We are Islam, we vote Islam," and that's what they do. Go and carry them, they vote Islam. You go to the Yoruba side, they do the dobale. Oh, whatever the Oba said. Our own, we are independent. We are we think independently. We reason. We want to be progressive. We vote the right people. Anybody that is doing the right thing, that's where we go. But these our elders, because they want the pittance, they 30 million naira a month. They refuse to stand by the truth. Your children say, "We don't want to stay in this place. This place is not good for us." They are marginalizing us. They have taken everything from us. And you know that your children will be better when they are on their own. And you refuse. Tell me why you refuse. Tell me why you're going to the north to collect, to swear to whatever you people are swearing there, and come back and say your children are criminals. It is a shame.
All right. Thank you, man. Thank you. Time will tell. All this nonsense, I believe it will soon stop. Casey Becker, please go out and come back on. It says, I can see here the device is not connected. Check your internet. That's why I cannot bring you in. I can see your request, but it is not active. Please go out and come back and see if the network will allow you to come. Let's hear from our own brother, Triple M. Although I greet you.
Thank you. Thank you, my brother Kai. Good evening. Greetings,
Good evening.
my fellow Biafrans standing on the existing protocol. Honestly, brother, whenever things are happening like this, when you look around, you ask yourself question: are these people really human beings? Enwere egwu ndị Igbo na-agụ asị, agba mbụ otu n'ogwe, agba abụọ otu n'ogwe, obodo ogwe ka pịara akụ n'obodo. Agba mbụ otu n'ogwe, agba abụọ otu n'ogwe, obodo ogwe ka pịara akụ n'obodo. A na-ekwu, a na-eme eme n'obodo, mgbapụtara ihe na-eme n'obodo. These guys they tried to succeed in destroying the unity that we Biafra scavenged, and they say unity is strength. Now, let me start from the first broadcast. The person that called himself APM. You know, we are all human beings. I don't know what that guy takes Biafrans for. Many of Biafrans are more reasonable. Sorry, today I'm speaking calm, actually, because sometimes there are things I see in this particular movement. I began to ask questions. When you look at this guy, making some speeches. Kai, when someone is telling the truth, if you want to catch a criminal, why asking that criminal questions? Focus on his eyes. Watch his eyeballs. Watch his body movement. That
Right.
that is psychological. It will tell you whom that person is. When
Yeah.
this criminal is speaking, my brother, you touchlight a little bit on that aspect. Look at his eyes.
Mm.
The eyes will tell you, if you are a psychologist, it will tell you everything about that guy. It will tell you whatever thing he's saying there is all lies. His body movement, his eye contact. You don't need a prophet to tell you that this guy is a criminal.
True.
What I'm seeing now, this guy, many of us notice this guy even during the time our PM is here, but we don't need to look anything or say anything about him because he is not the center of attraction then. There is one video he made last time, which some members of DOS used that video to castigate him. When he said that he went to White House to meet with a congressman. While he was coming and making that video, the way he's turning his eye and walking as if someone he was walking like a suspect, as if someone is coming after him. I don't maybe I will try and go back to S and get that video and send it to you. Then you analyze that video.
It will be nice.
The DOS members just
Mm.
use that video. Who the person that used that video to castigate him is Emeka Gift. Say, look at criminals. Look at the way he's working to tell you that what they are doing is not genuine. I watched that video. I know that this guy is working for Biafra. Actually, yes. Then, but that was when that criminality is coming into him. Everything is boldly written on his face and his action then. But
PM was here then.
yes, he was still nurturing it. This thing happens after the convention that brings us into a brigade.
Okay.
So that's by the way. Imagine, is anybody sleeping on the background or what?
I think. Who is the person? Is Oye Kachikalo.
Please mute the mic. Now, when this guy, you played, I know, I don't, I like I said earlier before now. Once you deviate, I don't need anybody to tell me that you are falling apart. Your program will just tell me. I will delete you. I won't even come to your platform any longer. As our DPM will always say, I when you are playing this thing, I was listening to see or get any point from what he's saying. No single point,
Okay.
no direction, no message. Going by the
And yet Nigerian newspapers have message.
going by the broadcast of Nigerian newspaper. Now, this will tell you you also made a point there. Nigerian newspaper, before they write anything, they go to our PM platform and pick what our PM posted
Posted.
on his platform
Yeah.
and captioned it, whatever they feel like, whatever thing they feel like to call our PM. But that message is what they bring up to the people.
Yeah.
Now, this criminal now, these people are publishing his message. Did you see any update on his platform?
Oh yeah.
How does Zoom Media get the update they are sharing on their platform?
It's still a mystery,
Listen,
my brother.
you see what happened. You have already said it all. Now the zoo resulted in playing mind game because they will do it this way. They say they in saying that during our PM time, they were publishing our PM this thing. Did PM pay them? Our PM never paid them. They are
Fair.
using, all these people that is media, they always follow crowd
Mm-hmm.
as well as to make their money as
Look at
well.
that money, yeah.
That is what they are doing. Now, this guy now that they are following, how many people is following this guy now? See the update. And now, even the animal, this is the type of people when they are in exam hall, doing exam hall, they pleaded to you to copy from what you are doing. You open your book for them. They will copy verbatim. Even copy your name, your register number put. He will just go and bring the so-called publication of Zoom Media as he paid them. Publish it like that without any write-up again. Who do these people this thing?
My brother.
Who do them? Well, my happiness is that Biafra knows who is
The
doing this.
truth.
Take your mind back, Kai. He's before they publish this thing. Remember, he made this broadcast now that you just played here.
Mm.
He made it before that publication, you know.
Yeah.
Now he told his morons that they should calm down. People have not seen. People are asking them what they are doing, what they are doing. In few days to come, they will see it. My brother, what he's doing now? Just look at it now. That is Zoom Media publishing all these things. That is what he's doing. No,
My brother.
that is the area he channels them. That they should calm down. In few days to come, they will see what he's doing.
He actually said that they will that they should keep keep your eyes on the congressman, not Congress website, something like that. So that one is something is loading there.
Well, my
Anyway,
brother, Abanhuri piano when we here, we already know who is who. Now
okay, man.
coming down to the Eggman.
Your brother.
He's our brother, yes. Makana, any madman you see on the road has a family. Oh.
Of course.
If you want to know if they has a family or not, is when you go and do something. Maybe you mistakenly kill them, then the owner of the madman will come out. He's our brother. Actually, they will tell you that he's starving. He's building for the king in Awada.
Okay.
So the Eggman, when he joined the fallback newly, that was when he resulted in wearing that ego is that calabash necklace that he's wearing. Cowries. It is called cowries, which is a That was when he went and gathered the small of Mopoji. Tini refile na organa ere here. Kai, my brother, please tell people around. Hope is in Italy. They should get a strong chair because in no distant time it will happen. Ha chọọ chair ya chọọ itipu ka anwụ ike wụọ ya chair ka ọ hapụ ịgbafu maka na
God is in control.
God is to control, honestly speaking. These are the same people. You said you are marketing somebody. You tell your gullibles how he has been working, how he has been spending money, all this of them. At the end of the day, day breaks. You turn back to say that person. You say he's doing this. Look at he's a criminal. This one is an hour on Donachi. Kwambos ka ọ na-asị na ị na-agụ apụta enwe agụ ya afọ mbọsọ o tiziri na ị na-agụ enwe onye tụpụrụ ya na sọ rapịa ka o si eti nwanne agụ adọ ya vam 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 One
Short
Sh0cking,
labor.
the same thing is also applicable to her. My sister Origin just made a comment now regards to the elderly people that found themselves in our midst. The question I usually ask them for the criminal ones, so
Mm.
because our leader Master cannot say a fool will always grow old to be a fool.
I'm not joking.
Elderly people in our midst, what you could not do during your youth age, during your youth days, your children are doing it. You result in fighting against that same thing. You know the history. We were not here when the brutal war was fought. You witnessed it directly or indirectly.
Mm.
Today, you are now fighting against that thing. Within yourself, them they know. Inside them, they know that they are not doing anything. They know. They collected money to fight against that thing.
My brother.
Mgbe ọnwụ ga-egbu nwa nkịta, ọ ga-ekwe ya n'isi isi. Whom the gods wants to kill will first of all makes him or her mad. Ayid.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Let me see. Oyekachi Carlo, are you awake? Let's see if you guys. One number on as what on a lot of them. Oyekachi Carlo, are you there? Okay. God. Chineke mere wale wale mbada. I don't blame you, but Zugo and Kevin one na. Oye need to be even maybe shop ya no. Mazi Obed, are you there?
Okay, yes, I'm here. Am I coming out?
Loud and clear. Let's hear from you.
Okay. Oh, my dear brother, thank you so much. Actually, don't know how to thank you for the wonderful work you have been doing for our great nation, Biafra. May Almighty God continually to bless and inspire you the more. Thank you so
You
much.
say,
Actually,
you
don't have
say, and
much to
you
say.
too.
I
You
believe
too.
my sister that spoke the first and the my brother they've already said everything in the sense that we still need to save your time as well so that you can still go and refreshing yourself a bit. You
Mm.
understand? You tried a lot for today. May Almighty God continue to bless you. Concerning this year, one Sh0cking, Ezenago, one you
I
go to
don't know.
confuse. Oh yeah, but that is onye a bụ property ndị psychiatric, you understand, and otu o si enwetakwa n'onwe ya abụrụ by ị na-eme people engage ka a na-ekwu okwu, you understand. Oge o mere ndị mmadụ engage a na-ekwu okwu like this ka ọ na-enwetatụ onwe relief, nwaya relief partially, you understand. So ọ bụrụ ma onye nke ahụ agbabagala for long time, ọ obere oge na ụwa niile ga na-ahụkwa ya, you understand, na after that na ọgbabagala complete, you understand. So my
Mm.
brother, and another thing bụ ụmụnne m bụ ndị Biafra, biko nụ, ka anyị ncha niile jikọ aka ọnụ sọpọtụ awa agbara ka agbara nwanyị, the lioness herself, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, ka onye ọbụla sọpọtụ ya, understand, ka anyị wee nwee ike ịzọrọ nwaanyị from ndị ụchụ, because ihe na-agba anyị mgba na karịrị. Ndị na-agba anyị mgbe abụọ dị sọfụlụ anyị na-ekwu okwu na because all those ones bụ distraction anyị na-afụ anya, you understand. So enwekwara ndị
Mm.
na-sponsor and all those people na-sponsor ha na-azụchara ihe na-agbasa anyị mgbe anyị kwesịrị ime otu anyị ga-esi mee, in the sense that anyị jikọ aka ọnụ na anyị clear godu ndị Fulani anụnwa maachị ha nche niile pụọ na be anyị. Ọwara ntị igbu ha egbu, ọwara ntị ịna ha n'iyi ana ha n'iyi, you understand, na because ndị be anyị edunagoro n'oge ha edu akago nkwụ, you understand. Orukwa nnọọ iduna ha ncha niile si duna ha ka anyị nwere ike inweta onwe anyị, because ọ kwado akwa ụbọchị ka anyị na-ebe akwa ndị be anyị na-ebe akwa ada agazi ugbo enweghịzi onye na-aga ugbo na be anyị kịta ọkwa ifugi ya kịta na ihe a na-ebutazina anyị na-abụrụ GMO and all these things ka a na-agba mbọ ka ewu mee implement na be anyị because of that mere eji na finance these people ọ dụzie ka amahụ ndị na finance ha ọdụ ka anyị na-ebe akwa ada anụ ihe anyị na-ebe oge elugo oge anyị ekwesịghị na-anụ from anybody anyị enweghị ka anyị gwuo ya that anyị enweghị anybody like a government or anything ihe anyị nidikwara ịma na is that ndị anụ ha na-akpọ gọọmenti na ndị are just like ndị cultist you understand jikọrọ aka ọnụ na-agbasa anyị mgba so anyị nwakwesịkwara ịdụ prepare ime otu anyị ga-esi gbasara these people mgba apart from ndị anyị na-afọ anya na anyị na-afọ as politicians now bụ our pure enemies another people na sponsor ha kpọkwa ha bụkwa Britain ọ bụrụ so Britain ndị na-agbasa anyị mgbadụ too much anyị nwa bụ people with special grace our people anyị need to sit down reason ya malụ the reason why ndị a ji agbasa anyị mgba the reason why a ji agbasa anyị mgba is because we have a special grace bestowed on us and that is the reason why they have been fighting us you understand ebe ọbụla abịa asị na ha ji mee nka because of ihe a bụ agenda ha mebago for long time ọ kịta ka anyị na-afụ the fruits you understand so biko na ụmụnne m ka anyị gbaa mbọ mara otu anyị ga-esi jikọọ aka ọnụ kpakọ alụlụ ọnụ mara otu anyị ga-esi zọpụta onwe anyị kịta because agwọ nọ n'akịrịka these people a na-ekwu okwu ha na abụghị ndị a na-anabata n'ụlọ ada anabata ha chacha ịnabata ha inye ha anụ ha chance achọwa allowance you understand so my brother they were so much thank you very much ọbụ maka vision 555 na ndị otu ya vision 555 anakwurugo ndị underground mbụ ndị POS Nigeria ọ nakwurugo ha ebe ahụ already you understand and many of them agabago ebe ahụ already ọkwa underground ebe ha ncha niile ga-anwụ you understand ha ncha anabago ebe ahụ vision 555 ebugoro ha ụzọ go ebe ahụ oremejus orubago ebe ahụ kịta obere oge oruo ebe ahụ and ndị ọzọ you know so otu a ka ha ga-esi na oga underground ahụ underground ahụ apịagbuo ha ncha niile because ebe ha nwere iyi si na ha ga-apịagbu ndị Biafra niile ebe ahụ underground ahụ ka ha ncha niile ga-anwụ otu a ka Obinigwe si dee ya nna my brother thank you very much mehụkwa much to say
thank you I need to round it up because I don't want to join Sh0cking in releasing the okay, man, ask no we are here. Please, Madam Origin, please make your final submission. Let us just round up before we end.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Kai. Something I just want to tell our people, something that has been one of the issues we face, and that is a misconception, not in spirituality, that is getting our people very confused. And at the end of the day, when people, everybody have their gifts. When people that have some level of spiritual gifts, which is a gift, a lot of times when they misuse it, people, because our mind is, the way we look at spirituality is on one lane, people get deceived. So maybe as time goes, we are going to one of these days elaborate on that. But I want to tell everyone, you see, religion and spirituality is not the same. You must, everybody, apart from the spiritual gift, you must protect your spirituality. You must just not be careless over yourself so that people don't deceive you because they are maybe gifted, or they talk and they tell you, future, or anybody that has capacity to tell you future can lie to you about your future or tell you truth about your future. But if you have your spirituality intact, you can be able to discern and help yourself out of these traps. So I don't want to confuse anybody, but I just want to bring that out. I thank all well-meaning Biafrans that come here every day. Find out what you can do to make our nation better. God bless you.
God bless you. God bless you, Madam Origin. Triple.
All right, my brother Kai. I think this should be the last lap. Eh? Yeah. Federal Biafrans is no longer in news that the only government that will take us to where we are heading to is the Biafran government, USB. That is the only government that will take us to our final destination, which is Ebube. Now, Kai, the next thing again that gives me joy in all these things that is happening is this: our UAP government is busy doing the real deal, the real needful of our freedom for we to get home as soon as possible, with all the documents required of we to achieve what we want. Now, these charlatans playing games, playing my games, all they are doing is just to stop our funding, to destroy what we are doing, because they already told them if you want to disturb us, they have to fight the root of our of the source of our income. With that, they will destroy us. But Biafrans know what we are doing. We are more wiser than them. We have gotten what we want, and the genuine ones are also doing the needful. We have so many anonymous donors that is coming up. So by them using these people, thinking that they are fighting us, brother, they end up announcing us. Because when you say Biafra, okay, now look at Zoo newspaper are announcing all these things in favor of Nkere, their agent, in order to stop us. They end up announcing us, knowing fully well that our Biafran government is on a high velocity to get what we want because of what we acquired. The best thing that happened to us in this particular course is that the declaration. When National Boya, Mazi Kelenasi, if you are told that these people defeated us and the Biafrans followed them, oh, by this time, I know Torem or Kanyola. Church Abashiala. But thank God that we know what we want and we go for it. My fellow Biafrans, no two words about it. Go and support USB. That is the final destination. Thank you, my brother.
I don't even know that I moved myself. I've been talking all this while. Thank you so much, my brother. God bless you. Mazi, unmute yourself. Abide. Abide.
Yeah, my brother. Okay, Marcy. So,
Just
uh,
1 minute,
I
okay?
believe,
Let's go.
okay, my dear brother. I believe that these people, one is Sh0cking, okay, and most of them they have Rafael Ajari, Sonia Pakarawa. All these people they have done more harms than good.
Then good.
In which all they have done is unpardonable. We will never in this world forgive them. But they should just keep on doing what they are doing. But I know that since we have where we are not okay with what they've done, I believe our ancestral land also is never okay with them. So they will never have peace wherever they are because they spill the blood of our innocent people because of their misinformation. Our people, our ndị ndị ọgba mgba anyị udo adịghị n'ime ha taa nụwa bụ maka misinformation these people na-enye ọka abụrụ oremejus and nwaanyị isi ọcha a na-ekwu okwu na ha emego our people so much in misform in the sense that butalụ ọgbaghara anyị na-enwe na ebe ndị kwesịrị na-echekwado ndị nna nna anyị ha nọ now. You understand? So I pray and I thank God for you people coming out this time, in which for you guys to come out this time now, you never brought yourself into this game. You understand? Him just appointed you guys for this time, and you came out at the right time. May him continually to bless you people and fortify you guys. You understand? You are doing so much wonderful things for Biafrans. Thank you so much, my brother.
God bless you. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, last but not the least, we have to listen to our mommy who called me on WhatsApp. Let me call her back. Hello. 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 Can you hear me?
Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you, ma'am.
Okay. I just want to say thank you so much for all you're doing. May the gods of our forefathers continue to give you wisdom. Remain the way you are.
Yes, sir.
And continue to make your land proud by your words and everything that you do. That is the kind of Biafra we are looking for, that will continue to promote and do things, not just because for ourselves, but for the image of our new nation. You know,
yes, sir.
Today is our 8th-month anniversary.
Yeah.
And I know that sometimes people show this diarrhea of the mouth and are confessing. We should be joyful.
Yeah.
You know, to show that Anna, the spirit of Biafra will always take care. It's not we that decided we want Biafra. Okay, no where's in a Biafra, Olakia, Burundi, or Yaro. Evil will still join in it, you know, because they don't write, I'm a bad person, I'm a sabotage in the forehead. And you can't tell who they are until the saboteurs. And so when they do it, we should be happy that they are doing it. So now we know who they are and we remove them from the place. So all these things on us are funny from that 20 after that 29. All of them. Now, that did not see the body movement. We don't care who is supporting them or not supporting them. All we know is that they are not for Biafra. All of them, they look at since when now the Kanu started. People have been doing like Biafra Disunite and all of them. They just want to stay online and be making noise, making caricature of the struggle. But they're making caricature of their own life. Anybody can go and open thing. That's why most people don't take the struggle serious. But the thing that they don't understand now is that we are a nation now. Because in a nation, you cannot just be doing whatever you want, right?
Yeah.
You have to follow the rules and regulation of that nation. They don't want that.
Exactly.
You cannot son na imposita vagabo. Okuchifa nini. So you can draw ya. Finland. Meet us in Finland. Biafra must be with the people the media. I don't know if they think that it's just something you cannot even comprehend their stupidity.
It's true.
Yeah, people designated, didn't they all go there? Oh yeah, so soon PMC we should not declare. Oh yeah, so soon plan A, plan B to stop the declaration. And then also another thing they would do if the declaration is done. Oh, all the plan A, plan C, plan D, oh yeah, if I come now to tell you that, you might not believe me, right? But now, I'm not answer. Osachabe, he will continue to vomit all those things. All vomit the chances here. Oje me clear somewhere on Ampusia. All of them. So because how can you see how wicked the heart of man can be? But forget that is that Nigerian mentality. But forget that all those things that happen in Finland did not just happen by magic. Right? People spend sleepless nights organizing it. The only thing I wrote for him is that, were you there when they wrote that charter? Do you even understand what they wrote here? Eh? The useless one that has he just want to be there. Arrogant and stupid. You know, there are different levels of stupidity. You don't know something, and you don't even know that you don't know. Eh? Just to stay there and talk and be building your platform and using it to paying you. You don't care about the suffering of the people that suffer, to make sure that even that chapter on the book, did it fall from sky? Or we go can find the way made that chapter? All the bastardize here. All the things that they rented, people paid to, even a committee stood, Biafrans, so far to come up with that charter. The voting, people created those voting cards, plan it. They think it just magically appear. And they don't care all the suffering and the input of these their brothers and sisters that sat down to plan those things, the program that was going to be done there. Who will do this, who will do that, is also by people, human beings, not spirits. The way mentioned in the take vacation, who will contribute for it to happen, because they did not spend their own money, so it doesn't concern them. You just see that all these people's effort is in vain. Now you want to wait for Samonepa. No, you want to wait for MNK. I want to Apufa. I did yes. So now they can't touch Afufu how many years now on Nigeria? If you know do up to Guinea.
Oh yeah, one.
Oh, from a deal. So can I make you see? I just keep up quiet. Biafra, new nation in our church. Is it for Mars and the kind of for your own family?
Exactly.
Space now, the chat, and we also they dedicate their time to come and support you. And they share the program. And they comment, and they are the forum, log in and follow you to talk. Or also the Biafra from Nandi Kanwoli or Samonepa. That's why you can't even begin to understand their stupidity other than on their go. That fugo this struggle as another way of making 419. Where belly face. And that's why, how are you going to remove them? They will remove themselves. And that's what they are doing.
Very bad.
They will remove themselves. And because we want to, the orientation, may have gradually, this orientation that we need. And that orientation to rewire their brain and the reason way of thinking. Because with that mentality that you just sit down, somebody will just come and do something for you. That's why they cannot even think. And you know the story in the Bible, the talents. You know, everybody had their own talents, right? Can you still hear me?
Yes, we hear you.
Can you still hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
We can hear you. We can hear you very loud and clear.
Oh, okay. You know that talent, some people had 5, some people had 4, some people, but everybody in this universe has a talent. Because we are supposed to learn from each other.
Exactly.
But in that one, decide they are not waiting for your G talent. Tell you, what farmer on there enough. So they are waiting. Come out before they can now do anything. So what do you want? So that's why it's just annoying sometimes when you see they're ignorant. Nkere 1 year ago, our own illiteracy knows no bound. Because that's why when you're in a group, and no matter that, no matter. I look at some of the things you played there when our COS was making some comments. She will be going left, she will be going right. Look at how she twisted it. Majority of us here would have held a position in that zoo if we wanted to. Not only her. You know how many times they've come to us, some of us here that come here to take part just because of when they see our passion for that Biafra in any group that we belong to. But that's not what we want. It may take about 6 years, 4 years. What change?
Exactly.
Jezalafa, Ibuga, can worship Wogi. Let them get the program. We are a nation. And you know that because they've been in a country colonized over 1,000 years, 100 years, 60 years in the zoo, they don't know what it means to be a nation. So this is the growing pains. And sometimes that's how I just use it to console myself. It's the growing pain. And that is that reorientation we find in Afuna. And it's going to be gradual. Painfully so. Starting from the military, starting from the smallest level you can think of. Are we going to continue? That's why I say we should stop these men on ground, wherever. They cannot be bigger than us. Military, you can't just be military by yourself. If I do a military, or Nagi Gonyegia, and you are going acting, and you have to listen to us. So we can't come here and try to make it look like what the military is more than the donors or whatever. No, we are in this together. Because without the donor, the man will granite. Again, you will granite. And so you have to give account. In that accountability, general your village. That is one of the things that is still killing us. No accountability. So it's gradual. So they need try as I did and not Biafra na true for so. That's why I just answer the women diarrhea. So continue bringing it to showing them. Did we tell you we didn't know? On the declaration day we knew. It's Solier. Look at all these DOS members. All DOS members. Biafra disunite, DOS. All these people. Diabolical. Very diabolical human being. They will lose their not this struggle. I'm not here. Something they don't know. I'm not here. That archaic mentality. So my brother, today is our my son. Today is our 8th month anniversary, and we are gradually getting to where we want to be. We are just 8 months, so Nigeria is 60 years old. America is 300 and something years. So we are just getting there. This magical thinking, our people need to learn it in Spain. That you have to plan something and achieve it and accomplish it, or else it just remains magical in your brain. People have to do the legwork. They don't even know, have an idea how it's even done. Or Makani, 8,000 people watching you in one broadcast, that makes you something. No, that is to talk. It's not even himself. He's always trying to think he can speak like MNK. So please continue with your good work. And I think I'm still having problem with the super chat, and it has to do with the way your system is set up, because the other time I tried to give super chat in Kelena and I was able to do that. So I think it has to do with the way the security purpose of the videos was set up. So I will continue to support you in my way, but if you can look into it in your own end and also look at it. Thank you so much for all you do. I yield.
Thank you so much. God bless you. I did not say anything there. Maybe from the owner of the platform. I don't think I did not say anything there, to be honest. Everything. And today somebody gave us budgets.
Yes, I saw that.
Yeah, so
but I've been telling you before now that I've been having problem with it. But I said, okay, let me see. Maybe it's my own bank or whatever, or from my end.
Yeah,
so I did other people's platform. I was able to give. But after I gave in those other people's platform, I came back to your own platform and I was still unable to send. So I just it's your own platform, because I was still able to send to other people.
What is the message that they told you when you tried?
Unable to send.
Maybe
I can do it now again when you're I can do it now when you're on there. Let me see. I can even tell you what it says.
Okay.
Just give me a second.
That's beyond my understanding. I don't know why.
Unable to send it. That's what you said. But I was able to do it in other people's platform. If you check other people's platform, you'll see that I was able to send a super chat. But let me not hog the phone. Maybe other people want to contribute. I appreciate you always. You know that. Keep up the good work.
Thank you, man. God bless you. Thank you so much.
The kind of country, the kind of a nation that we are fighting for. Thank you.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We have come to an end of this broadcast. I am very, very tired. So we are going to continue again tomorrow. Ozil, please, tomorrow I will give you a chance, okay? You are just joining us. Are you there?
I'm here. I'm not conversation since. I'm not celebrating moon. I am in a studio since. I'm not celebrating today.
Okay.
I am a since.
Long may the celebration continue.
We continue celebrating. You guys are in order.
Take care. So I will thank you so much. Thank you all of you that joined me, Madam Origin. Always, I really appreciate. God bless you. And Triple M, one of us, Ozil. Thank you guys. And please make sure you like the video in case you have not. See you tomorrow. God bless you. Good night.
Good night.